TikTok in a second. I'll try to keep my cussing down. TikTok, Mike, is giving out warnings before they ban you now. They say, hey, we have a warning for hate speech. Clean it up or we're going to block you. So that's real good to know, by the way.
You just need to come up with an alternative word, Kev.
Well, it's not swearing. It's when people don't like when I bring up the fact that the old way of trading sucks, then they report me. So they don't care on TikTok. In other words, they just care that their way of trading doesn't work and it gets them upset. So then they report me under hate speech. Yes. Isn't that wild?
This is just a better way.
But they don't get that. I know what you're trying to say to try to say that
Yeah,
live.
just figure out ways of phrasing it without, pissing everybody off.
And we are live and everybody does hear you. So we're all clear.
I'm turning off my.
No, I want you to be. No one knows. What? All right, what's today's date? 10-4. Be aware of that alert, by the way, everybody. So you're all clear. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. How'd y'all sleep? Hope you all caught this trade. I'm trying to get it worked in for everybody right now so that we can go over it. I'm training with my brother. And why not train everybody and miss the rest of my stuff I got to do? I might have to go off the live and come back later. But anyway, not a financial advisor. Am I a financial advisor, my brother?
No.
Not a financial advisor. Do I ever want to be a financial advisor? No offense to anyone. No, 100%. Hell no. So no offense. Want nothing to do with it. Not my cup of tea. I feel horrible for people who have to jump through all those hoops. It's absolutely crazy. Please don't listen to the word I ever say. None of this is accurate. None of this is true. This is all made up bullshit. Just don't listen to a word I'm saying. Okay? Just so we're all clear. Now, good morning, D-Nice, number one, D-Nice, David. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. Dr. Matt, my brother, Dr. Greg goes on with us this morning. Good morning, George D. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Stephen Cowie. Good morning, Sam I Am. Good morning, Fly to the Sky or Flyowski. Good morning, Esther. Good morning, Mr. Sky. Good morning, Stephen. Good morning, Kent. What's up, Kent? Glad you are back. Good morning, Shannon Ivory. So glad you're back. Great morning to you, Shannon. Good morning, Nathan Honer. Good morning, Blessed Life. Good morning, Team Lane. Good morning, fam. Done before market open. $3,450 made on NAS. 1 minute, 5 minute. Bach break. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Brian. Praise God. There you go, Tracy. So glad you're back with us and participating, Tracy. So glad you made that trade. I hope all of you did what Tracy did. That's exactly why I'm here to go over something. My brother Mike, is it okay to go over and tell them what happened to you this morning so they can learn from it?
Sure,
okay.
Absolutely.
Good morning, Jury Frickle. Good morning, Jonathan Owens. Tracy, kick fucking ass. That's what I like to hear. First thing on a Wednesday morning is someone kicking ass with the system. Exactly what needs to happen. So, good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Julie Gaia. Good morning, Lock. You're number one, Julie, by the way. Lock, you're number one, too. I give everybody number one. Good morning, Rue. Good morning, Arc Tangent. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. I prefer everybody that's on TikTok and YouTube to vice versa each other. Head over from YouTube, please, to TikTok. It's the Real Safety Trade. Obviously, it's the only one live, and it's me, okay? Now, what we're going over is instead of me doing all my stupid health stuff I got to do in the morning, I'm on the phone with my brother because I love him so much, and I thought, screw this shit. I'm on the phone with them. I might as well go ahead and teach everybody and get everybody going, okay? So, everybody, say good morning to my brother, Dr. Mike. He is on with us. He also has a YouTube channel. Can you guys hear him? Want to say anything, Mike?
Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone.
I'm sure it's too early for him, too, but he's up here trading away. Good morning, Tom Williams. Good morning, Philly. Good morning, Albert. Good morning, Mr. Wookie. All right, I think good morning, Mike. Oh, they can hear him. Good morning, Dr. Mike. Oh, they're all saying good morning to you. See? Everybody loves my brother. All right. So this is what I got a call. So I sent out an email to each and every one of you telling you about a NAS buy stop. You would have made, actually, you would have made a shit ton of money. It's back here, and you would have made about 50 pips, 48, 49, 50 pips from that call out. I sent the email out to over 1,000 people. I then told you when it hit the blue line, I sent it out in the Discord. We had our Discord members actually see it prior to that. So you'd have made over 80 pips earlier this morning if you'd have just followed this write out that I did. Who here remembers me writing this out last night? I did a live last night. I think it was like 8 or 9 p.m. What time was it, Mike, when I left your place? Whatever that was.
Yeah, about 9.
Yeah. And I came on the live and I said, 1 minute buy stop to the blue lines or close by 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then lo and behold, I said these three will turn to green. Does everybody see the green on here? And does everybody was anybody here when I made the call? Does everybody see these three greens? Yes and yes, or do we have no's out there? Anybody remember me making this call? And does everybody remember me saying these three were going to turn to green? Good morning, David B. Everyone's saying good morning. I was here when you called and said blessed life. Thank you, blessed life, for speaking up. Good morning, Pappy. Julie, were you here? I don't remember if Julie was here last night. I don't remember. Good morning, Fun Bids. So let's see. We said Mr. Sky says yep. Amy Lou says yes. Blessed Life says yes and yes. Tom Williams says yes. Good morning, Erica. Good morning. I think Erica was here. Good morning, One Polygot. Good morning, Ranch Girl says yes. Thank you, Ranch Girl, for speaking up. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. So this call, this trade that we currently are in, and the one that prior to happened to it when I was trying to do all my work and just woke up, was called out last night around maybe 8, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Not only did I call it out, I wrote it out right here, and I drew it out for you, and I actually played it out. So I did the trades myself. So it was a very, very simple, easy trade. Now, how I was able to do it, because everything they brought down yesterday, I told you they had to retrace, bring it back up, and just look for it on the alert. Now, what's one thing that's going to be happening very soon, Lord willing, is we're going to have this scanner. When it's locked in, I'm going to have this scanner. I'm asking Keith to do it and a couple other people. I'm asking Andre to do it, a couple other people, to make us have an alert go to our phones, or an email. So we can have an alert go to our emails. So when this switches, we can be alerted after it was red, say for 7, 8 hours, 9 hours, and one of them switches to green. We'll have an alert. This will be a free upgrade. This will be free to all of you that are in the sniper room currently that has this scanner. You're going to get a free upgrade. Can you imagine? This is going to send out an alert when this flips. And I'm going to have this program encoded and pay money. And I'm going to give this to each and every one of you that is the TradingView scanners. So if you have the TradingView scanner, you're going to get an upgrade that's going to make you a shit ton of fucking money. That's all I can tell you. And I'm giving it to you for free. Yes, yes, yes. I listened to the recording. Yes, I picked it up. Thank you, Esther. Good morning, Sam UK. Good morning, Mike Moy. Good morning, Terry Gross. Yeah, I thought you were there, One Polygon. I'm glad you were there. Good morning, Otto Chico. Good morning, Monique Kruger. And you just keep giving and giving. Yeah, Team Links. Can you imagine when you guys get this free upgrade to send us the alert? 1 minute buy stop, by the way, but I would not take that, my brother. It's unofficial. It's just showing right now. It's bouncing off the yellow line. I would not take that trade. All right. Team Lane, thank you, says Albert. Thank God. Thank you. You're welcome, Tank Dog. Sheesh, thank you, God. Thank you, Bree. Thank you, Ash Shannon. Nathan Prince. Thank you, Shannon, for coming over from YouTube to TikTok. Please, everyone, come over from YouTube to TikTok. All right. We're about to get into the training. That is why we're here. Mike's probably bored out of his mind. Sorry, Mike. Can't wait. Thanks, Kevin. Stephen Cowie. You're welcome, Stephen. All right. So with that coming, this is why I called it. It went down. By the way, let's take a look at the second part of this. Was called out last night. Then there'll be a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop to form to the NAS 4-hour blue line. I kept insisting 30-minute instead of the 15-minute. It might be only 15 minutes. Don't know, but somewhere in that range. I think it's going to be a 30-minute though, because that's the way they formed. They formed a 1 minute sell stop yesterday, 5 minute sell stop yesterday, 15-minute sell stop yesterday. It hasn't formed a 30-minute that I'm aware of. I'll go check that. But that it's just logical. It's just how they form. Yeah, one of my brothers doesn't understand the logic of they think the market is a little more haywire, but the market is 100% predictable as proven every day, including yesterday, by the way, about that stupid thing that they announced, whatever that was at 10 o'clock, and then everything flipped. I don't know if, Mike, did you catch that yesterday when I said at around 9:35, 9:40, I said, let's wait till the 10 o'clock channel around 10:02. You're going to see things flip downward. It's going to make the reversal. And then lo and behold, it made the reversal. Did you happen to catch that? Or were you? Oh, you were? Okay. So, yeah, that was just a beautiful call, by the way, I was saying. Here on Bosa's Ranch Girl. Thank you. Can't wait. Thanks. Okay. So I think that's everybody and everything. Now we're going to go into some training right now. I know not everybody's here. Can't help it. That's life. Some of you guys are going to miss out. I was kind of stalling for everyone to come in, but it is what it is now. All right. Everybody on TikTok, again, head over to YouTube. Everyone on YouTube, please head over to TikTok so I get the damn people up over there. We're up like 45, 48, 52. Okay, that's cool. And then, yeah, so here we go. This is what happened. The call was made last night. That was easy peasy, whatever. But the more important one just happened now. So what does that mean? I have the 1 minute buy stop on my 1 minute NAS on my top chart right here. On the bottom, we have NAS 5 minute. Okay. So our rules are rules. The rule number one, if you're using the sniper, is this. Eximus Vane, good morning. Good morning, Eximus. Good morning, CJ Steed. XRP pumping. Nice. Good. Good morning, Sam UK. SEC appeal rejected by the judge. Nice. Michael, good morning, Michael. All right, here we go. So we're teaching now. 1 minute NAS on the top, 5 minute NAS on the bottom. Do you see that, my brother?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what we're going to look at is we have rules. Rule number one is for the sniper, the bottom one has to go to the top. So let's see. Is the blue line at the top? Yes or no, Mike? And everyone can play along too, by the way, so y'all can learn. Remember, the more you respond, the better you'll learn. So that's a yes. Mike says yes. That's cool. So that's rule number one. What's rule two? Do you remember, Mike?
Sniper goes down.
The blue line on the 1 minute sniper goes down. So let's take a look. We'll pull it over here so you guys see it. I'm going to go ahead. When we're talking about right now, the sniper was down. That is correct. Number three, what happens?
The pink line pulls away.
Pulls down on the higher time frame. So the 5 minute. Number four, what do we need to have happen on one or the other?
Safety trade.
And we're looking in this case for a
buy stop.
Green, 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 red. That's a buy stop. What is the broken Bach versus a non-broken Bach equal?
1,000 trade.
1,000 trade confirmations, meaning it's the equivalent of 1,000 different indicators being correct. So the Bach break, what is the Bach break, Mike? What does that mean?
1,000.
No, is it green turns to red in this case?
Yes.
And then not turning to red on the higher time frame, right?
That's right.
Okay. So there's 1,000 trade confirmations that this is going to go up or down, Mike.
Up.
So there's 1,000 different arrows, 1,000 different arrows saying this is going to go up. You want me to draw? I really went to 200 yesterday, and I don't know how my computer didn't crash. 1,000 trade confirmation. There's 1,000 indicators saying this trade was going to go up, and we're probably not even at 30. 1,000 saying up, and we have one indicator, our bullshit detector, which is finding their lies, is going down. It's 1,000 to 1 to go up. Which way is it going to go up, Mike? Go up, go, Mike.
It's got no choice but to go up.
So it has no choice. Is there anything on earth that can win 1,000 versus 1? Well, I guess if there's Superman, maybe. But other than fictional characters, is there anything? If there was 1,000 people beating up one person, does the 1,000 persons beat up even Bruce Lee?
Yes.
Yeah. Bruce Lee doesn't have a chance 1,000. Chuck Norris maybe can win. I don't know. But other than Chuck Norris, there's 1,000 to 1 that this trade is going to go up. Did the trade go up?
Yes.
Yeah, what do you know? Good morning, Aladar, too. We're learning right here. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Bob Uten. Good morning, Aladar, too. Good morning, Rosh Bannett. Look. So this trade, Mike, on the what trades form first, everybody? 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Everyone write down the answer. What do you think forms first? The 1 minute buy stops, the 15 minute sell stops. Which one forms first? 1 minute buy stops or 15 minute sell stops? Let's see if anyone gets the answer correct. Good morning, Pip Hunter. I see a lot of 1 minutes. Everyone answer. Long John Silver says 1 minute. Pappy says 1 minute. Shannon says 1 minute. Excellent. Rancher Girl says 1 minute. Michael says 1 minute. Do you agree with the 1 minute, Mike, or not?
Yes.
Mike agrees. 310 for life says 1 minute. Larry says 1 minute. Thank you for sharing the video, Health, Family, Wealth. Oh, we got a lot over here. Thank you for speaking up, everybody. Health, Family, Wealth. Eric, thank you for speaking up. George D. Good morning, Pip Hunter again. 1 minute, 1 minute. Terry Gross, Bob Uten, Annie Leland. Good morning, Annie Leland. 1 minute. Arlene. Good morning. Good afternoon, Arlene Magumbi. She's in South Africa. She's 12 hours ahead. The order in which time frame develops is 1 to monthly. Correct answer, Jonathan Owens. 1 minute for sure. 30-minute sell stop, NAS coming up. I wonder who would have called that, Esther. And I know you already answered, so thank you for answering. 1 minute. Angela Taylor. Good morning, Mom. Remember now, Mom, we're doing some training. 1 minute on the top, 5 minutes on the bottom. Please rewatch this video, Mom, when we're done, okay? Miss Angela Taylor. I would take those Bach breaks all day long. 1 minute, says Kent. Correct, Kent. All right. Polygot says 1 minute. All right, guys. So here we go. Mom, we're going to recap really quick because you just joined. 1 minute on the top, NAS, 5 minutes on the bottom. We're going over the setup. Number one, what happens first, Mike, on the 5 minute? What happens first? My brother, Mike.
Son?
What happens? It has to happen first on the trade.
Oh, the sniper line goes up.
On which time frame? The 1 minute or 5 minute?
The 5 minute.
Correct. Number two, what happens?
The 1 minute blue line goes down.
Excellent. Number three, what happens?
Pink line pulls away.
On which time? 5?
Higher time frame.
And what is number 4?
Standard safety trades.
And then what is this Bach break equivalent to versus a non?
1,000 people pushing you under the water, or let's say over the water.
Up. Yeah, so this is
up.
So this is Bach. It turned red. That's the Bach break versus a non-Bach break. This is red. The Bach break versus the non-Bach break is straight 1,000 trade confirmation means 1,000 up arrows. That's we redid it once. We did it twice. Mike's probably like, well, I'm getting bored. We'll try redoing this for the last year with people and try redoing it 100 times a day and 1,000 times a day, repeating this over and over again. And then eventually you'll be able to see it clearly. You see? Oh, Mom says, oh, you're in Kenya. Sorry, Arlene, in Kenya. Good morning, Patrick. We're on the phone with Dr. Mike Regel, the most incredible. You have any issues with diabetes, sugar, or anything like that, please get a hold of him. He's on TikTok, and you'll love it. Don't move your mouth. Sorry about that. Good morning, Patrick. All right, so we now know that the 1 minute trades form first. So this is a buy stop. But what's over here, Mike? What did you see? Correctly see, and will be correct. He will be proven correct later today, but nonetheless, not right at this moment. This is what Mike saw.
Sell stop.
He saw a 15-minute sell stop on NAS 100. And is he correct? Well, let's see. We have a sell stop. We have the 30-minute flat. We have the 15-minute arched up. We have the pink came down. Pink came up, sorry. And then we had the sell stop. 100% correct. Good morning, Leb Saab. Yes, good morning. Best doctor ever, said Patrick. Yeah, that's true, Patrick. Mike, my brother's forgotten more information to help you than most doctors ever know in their lifetime, let me tell you. All right, here we go. So good morning, Richard Graham. This is what he saw. He saw a 15-minute sell stop, and this is more clearly what he saw. He got tagged in. He even waited for the yellow line. He still got suckered in and lost 45 pips. And that's still an excellent trade. He did perfect. But can everyone out there see why he got suckered in on this trade? You would have been suckered in. I even called out a 15-minute sell stop that it was going to create it. I knew that this was going to happen overnight. How does that occur? I know some people still say I'm a time-traveling alien. I am not. It's just what the system teaches you. Does everyone see how Mike got suckered in wrongly into this 15-minute sell stop? Good morning, little Joe. I need answers, yes or no. Everybody on TikTok, everybody on YouTube, blue line wasn't flat on the 15-minute. No, I would argue that. It's a 15-minute, 30-minute. It's not flat. It's not supposed to be flat. It's supposed to be arched up. The 30-minute is supposed to be flat. 30 minutes out of line. But you see that how you could have been suckered into that. Russell Brown says, I definitely see it. Yep, said Kent. Yep. Okay, anyone on TikTok see how Mike could have mistakenly thought this was a sell stop and got suckered in and caught? He could have made money if it ended on the red line, but we're pulling hairs at this point. We'll get into the reason why. And says, yep, says Kent. Okay. Tom Williams says, yep. Yes, says Patrick. Little Joe says, yes. Because you all got to learn. We all make these mistakes. Remember on Monday when I opened up a GBP USD trade instead of an ER USD trade? And I was like, what? I lost $200 as demo, but I hate to lose any trade anymore. But I lost it because I didn't pay attention to what I was doing on Nadex. I thought I was doing a weekly ER USD, and I did a fucking weekly GBP USD. Whatever. Then I got in the ER USD and obviously money. But back to Mike. So we all make mistakes. This is how he's going to learn. And what was his mistake? Everyone, what was Mike's mistake for what happened this morning? We all just talked about it. Mike, you now know. You want to tell everybody what the mistake was?
The 1 minute was showing buy stop. And
it forms
that
first.
Formed first.
Yeah. So, okay, Paul said no. Good morning, John Parker. Can you go over it again? Yep, let's go over it. So now this is what Mike was looking at. He was looking at a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. This is a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. Number one, what has to happen, Mike? 15-minute, 30-minute, go.
Yeah, the blue line goes flat.
On the what time frame?
On the higher time frame.
So 30-minute. Then what has to happen on the 15?
The blue line rises.
And that's on this night, right? Correct. And then what has to happen on the
pink line pulls away.
Okay, so we're going to do this right here. It's actually this one. Number 4, what happens?
It's a safety trade.
Yeah, sell, stop, safety trade. All the requirements were met. He even put it below the yellow line. But unfortunately, if you look in right here at this time period, it went just slightly below the yellow line, right? It sucked him into a bad trade. And he lost money. Real money or demo money, Mike?
Oh, real money.
We got to get that fucking money back. All right. So he lost money on the trade, but he read things 100% correctly. Does everyone see how Mike read things 100% correctly? Gary Jordan and Paul, do you see it now? I need answers from both of you since both of you wanted me to go over it again. Good morning, F. Excellent. I hope you made your money on that buy stop we're going over. Good morning, Pablo. Yes, thank you for answering, Pablo. Thank you for answering, Albert. Aladar, David DVD. Yes. I see. Yeah, you see your teeth. Mike, what happened to you is going to help hundreds of people now. Paul says yes. Thank you, Paul, for understanding. This is going to help everybody because this trade was 100% correct, but yet, I know this is going to sound terrible to Mike, it was still 100% wrong. And there was a reason. And when he told me, when I was doing my breathing and doing my red light therapy, what did I say, Mike? I said, that doesn't sound right. I said, I'm thinking it was a 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. You know, and that's what I'm thinking in my head. I go, okay, let me go back to the charts. And I got up and looked. And lo and behold, what did we see, Mike? We saw a
1 minute, 5 minute buy stop.
Damn. So that's why he missed the trade. So does everyone understand that 1 minute, 5 minute? Sorry, but thank you, Mike, says Babu. Same here, Kev. I got sucked in the 5. There you go. So Duran Shrurik, I'm sorry it happened to you too, but understand one more time. I know you guys already answered it. What forms first, a 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop or a 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop? Which one?
This buy stop.
So the 1 minute forms
1
first.
minute.
Little Joe, you understand that? No, you know, the 1 minute, 5 minute. Pablo put 1.5. I thought it was 15 minutes. About to correct them. All clear now, Coach, says Duran Strike. See how you're helping people?
Wow. I'm glad my money can help people.
Annie Landline, 1 minute. Thank you, Annie, for speaking up. Sam, yep, I would be very careful, Richard Graham. That is not how we play that trade at all. I'm not saying you won't make money, but you should put your stop loss where the pivot point is, where it pivots, and then you eat your losses. That's what you do, and you re-enter later in. I would not do what Richard Graham is attempting to do. I'm not saying he will be wrong. Might even end up being right. But I would not play that game. It is a dangerous, slippery slope when you start moving your stop losses around. You lost, you take the loss like a man, you learn from it. Must look at all time frames, even though only to trade the higher time frames. I've made those mistakes before. I brought too early, so Sam answer you. 1 minute, 5 minute buys happening. Thank you for that. Learn something new. Thank you. Now, look, so the people who are saying that this is all new and everything, we actually have rules, Mike. Remember those? So you know. But some people don't really pay attention to the rules. Like Jesus, Mary, Joseph. So we have rules, and our rules look something like this. And in our rules, we have rules upon rules. No, we just have a few rules. And on our rules, we actually have this little write-up right here. It's called Specific Rules General. Okay? So you come over to these rules. If you don't see a clear safety trade on the 1 minute time frame, look to the next higher time frame, and so on until you find one. Keep checking the 1 minute and 5 minute to see if they form while waiting for the higher time frames to develop. The order in which the safety trades develop is 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and so on. You may open more than one safety trade at a time, but keep in mind not to get caught in a higher time frame safety trade. For example, if you're waiting for a 1 hour sell stop to form, it must go up to form, and it may trigger your 4 hour buy stop if you have it set too close. Sound familiar, Mike? So don't get suckered into that. Give the 1 hour room to breathe to move up. Besides, the 4 hour is just there to see if and when the 1 hour candles will bounce off the 4 hour candles. Can I be any more specific, Mike?
No, I don't. I hate reading instructions though and asking direction.
See, so Mike's not willing to read the rules.
No, I'm speaking for all men.
No, now listen. What is each and every one of you supposed to do? Laminate your rules, print your rules, and laminate your rules, and have them directly in front of you at all times of trading. Is that true? Yes or no?
Yes, it's true.
Okay, everybody. Thank you, Mike. I wasn't actually asking you, but everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Do you need to print your rules, laminate your rules, memorize your rules, and have them in front of you at all times? So every one of you said that this has happened to you. You're telling on yourselves. You don't have the rules memorized, or you would know specific rules trading. 1, 2, and 3 would have kept you out of that wrong trade. Am I clear? Yes or no?
Unfortunately, yes.
Yep. David, thank you. I learned a yes, yes. Blaze away, yes. Monique, yes. Bobby. The more you guys respond to these questions, it isn't for my benefit. I know how to fucking trade. I'm okay. Who am I trying to teach? So by responding, it doesn't just help people on these TikToks and YouTubes to see it. It's helping you all beat it into your thick skulls that these are the rules and this is what you need to do. Yes, you are clear, David. Yes, Carrie Gross says yes. So please, I have them on my wall. Correct. Have them taped all around your trading screen on your charts. Have them laminated and taped. Then have a sell stop taped. And then have a buy stop taped up there and only trade those. And I'm proud of Mike, extremely proud of him, to recognizing the 15-minute sell stop 100% correctly. He kind of needed to follow the other rules of the specific trading 1, 2, and 3 first, but he still understood what he was looking for. He just now has to understand that, well, there could something be forming that. Something's making that 15-minute, buy sell stop. And that is the 1 minute, 5 minute buy stops is making that. Yes, yes, yes. Memorize them. Correct, Pablo. Yep, yes. Good driving that point home, says Tom Williams. Kent, yep, memorize. I made that mistake. There you go, Kent. There you go. All right. So everybody good on the rules now? Every good, Mike, you're okay with the entries? You understand you did absolutely everything perfectly. By that 1 minute buy stop I called out is in the money. I'm assuming on all three, but let's take. I don't want you playing it, Mike. I'm sorry. It's just not something you're able to do. The NAS in the money. Oh, look. Now the NAS, the US 30 buy stop. Let's take a look. Let's take a look in a book. All right. I told you not to take the NAS one because that's the only one I was looking at. So let's look at that, Mike. Let's look at the NAS one. The NAS 1 minute on the top right now, just occurring. The blue line is flat on it. It is flat. It never dipped down, right, on NAS. Let's look at US 30. Are you here, still with me, Mike?
Yeah.
US 30. Do you see a difference between the US 30 1 minute buy stop? Well, you, Mike, first. Do you see the difference between it? What is the difference as I'm pointing to it?
Yeah, the line is flat. The blue line is flat.
No, so the blue line's flat, but on US 30, are you seeing my screen? The blue line dipped down right here. You can clearly see the dip down.
Yeah, it dipped down and away.
And you can
so
see
the sniper was engaged.
So the sniper called this. The normal safety trade couldn't have called this. Have been a fill in the gap at best. So this is actually sniper only. But look, Mike, the NAS 1 minute didn't come down. I couldn't call that trade for you. But if we were looking at the US 30, the 1 minute blue line did come down. We could have entered on this trade. You see how looking at all three matters? You could have made 32 pips on that trade right now. But we weren't looking at the US 30. Do you see the difference, yes or no, Mike?
Yes, okay. I do.
Does everyone out there see the difference between the US 30 1 minute buy stop and the NAS 1 minute buy stop, yes or no? Does everyone see the difference? Yes or no? If it's a no, speak up. This is your time to learn. Do you guys see the difference? Yes or no? Yes, says Shuki, SCO. Morning, Shuki. Aladar, yes. Team Lane, clearly, yes. So should you take both? This is a tricky question. Yes, 100%. Yep, I see it. Amy Lou, yes, yes, yes. Paul, yes, yes, yes. Albert, yes. Rancher, yes. Okay, thank you guys. Now, this is a tricky question because I have older rules that I quit teaching because you guys just couldn't catch it. So what is this? If it happens on one of the three indices, US 30, NAS, SPX, right? One of the three. That's why we have the scanner, right? We have the scanner right here because they all do the same. So if it happens on one, does it happen on all? And you guys are going to get really confused on this point. But if US 30 had a 1 minute sniper, that actually technically means that NAS has a 1 minute sniper entry and SPX has a 1 minute sniper entry, even though the only one that actually showed it was US 30. I know that's going to confuse a lot of you, but when it happens to one, it happens to all. Now, do you need to trade like that? No. Should you only trade the US 30 because all of you guys are beginners and don't know fucking your head from a hole in the ground? Yes. So, but you get the understanding, Mike, that because we saw it on US 30, it actually gives it credence. It makes it true for NAS and SPX also. Good morning, Stefan, 087. CJC says, yep. Now, without the sniper, certain trades you won't see as if yet. Correct. You need the sniper to see certain trades. You have to have the sniper. Correct. Trade all three of them. Correct, Team Lane. Tracy's been with me for a minute, so she knows. Yeah, there's a few of you. I don't mean to offend you. Can that also be NAS, Kevin? Can that also be NAS? Yeah, that's what we're saying, Mr. Sky. The 1 minute, the NAS 1 minute was earlier. Well, the NAS 1 minute just happened right now. I'm sorry. The US 30 happened right now. The NAS at the same time that we're talking about, at the same time, NAS doesn't dip down on the sniper entry to make this entry for us. So you can't take it. But in Mike shouldn't take it. 99% of you shouldn't take it. But somebody like Tracy or Keith or Tommy or Kimberly, somebody, Patrick, definitely Patrick, can take these because they have a lot more experience trading. And they understand that what happens on that one will happen on them all. And you could have took SPX, you could have took NAS along with the US 30. That's all. Okay? Now, morning, Troy Mitchell. At the same time, correct, Health, Family, Wealth. Correct, Eric. All right. Does anybody have any questions over what we're going over this morning? We had a perfect 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop, completely go the opposite direction, causing a loss to my brother. I thought, fuck that. I ain't gonna have my brother lose. That shit ain't occurring. And I said, let's go on the live and I'm going to go ahead and teach everybody. And there was a reason why that happened, because there was a 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop prior to that, forming technically the 15-minute 30. Now, when will they bring that down? I don't know. Probably somewhere after 9:30 this morning, although they got a long ways to go. Is there any news this morning? Might do with some bullshit news. But it'll fall. It'll come back down later. And it'll go down to the 4-hour blue line on NAS. But when and how high will it go? You always put it. I'm very proud of him for sticking to a stop loss. You always put your stop loss where it pivoted down. He did stick with it. He did lose. And that's perfectly fine. Chalk it up to a $40, $50 learning experience. Or if he had a double on there, maybe $80, $90. All right. Little Joe, yes, yes, yes. Oh, okay, at the same time. Yes, says Mr. Noble. All right. So we're all good. So everybody's good. Mike, do you have any questions over what happened?
No, it's painful, but I got it.
Shit, bro. Try your brother losing for 5.5 years. How long did I lose for, Mike? How much money?
Yeah.
20,000, 25,000, 26,500 or more. Yeah. So you've been trading for how long, Mike?
2 weeks.
Yeah. 2 weeks. And he's upset about that loss. And I'm very happy he's upset, because you should not have any losses ever. Will we? Of course. I just had one on Monday when I entered the wrong fucking symbol. Remember I told you that could happen? Yeah, that happens. That happens even when you're trading Nadex options. It still happens. You know, that's what it does. All right. I think I'm good. What time is it? 7. It's 8 o'clock. Fuck. I still have some things to finish. Crappy news in 2 hours and 8 minutes. Yeah. Then that's when they'll do the reversal in 2 hours and 8 minutes. Fuck the news. Bull report rolls out at 10:30. Yeah, fuck it. ADP non-farm employment. Yeah, that sounds like useless news. Non-farm payroll. Oh, it's NFP. Bye. The sniper game changer. I'm going to go ahead and go. I know you guys want me to stay on. Mike, anything else I can help you walk through or go over with you right now?
No, any call outs on the top three there?
Yeah, it's too late for you to do the 1 minute now at this point. I'd wait for like I've written out last night. I'd wait for these 15-minute, 30-minute sell stops. Let's take a look at those. 15 minutes too high. This is actually now, look, now you have the arch up. Even though you don't see a sell stop, the blue line on NAS is arching up. I'm sorry, and US 30 is arching up. The blue line is arching up on the 30-minute. Let me see NAS, not arching up. Let me see SPX. It won't be arching up on SPX either. Oh, it is. It is. Okay. So let's see, arching up. So now what does that mean? Now you're looking at a 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Enter it off of, don't you dare enter this trade and see it's going to bounce off of it. I think we're going to get a 30 minutes going to turn green. Let this come up over the red line. And then enter it either off the red or off the yellow, but wait for it to go up higher. I do not like this yet, says Sam I am. You can put it well underneath the yellow line if you want, but I wouldn't do that. Let this come up higher. Let this come up higher, and then put your sell stop on the yellow line on the 30-minute. And if it keeps going up, we have another rule that you have to rise up with it. So if this becomes a 1 hour, which I don't think it's going to at all, I just don't, you're going to see it come up over the yellow line on the 1 hour, then enter it off the yellow line if it keeps going up. But I don't think it's going to do that. I think you're going to see it go just a little bit above this red or a good bit above this red, right above the red right here on 30-minute, and then it's going to hook and come down. If it goes well above the red line on the 30-minute, US 30, you can enter off the red line. If you want to enter off the yellow line, you have to let it come up a little bit higher and then enter off the yellow line. Am I clear, Mike?
Yes. 100.
Oh, it's not NFP today, so don't worry about it. None of this news is going to matter. It's all crap. The only news that ever matters, is it clear to everybody out there that's how to trade US 30? Yes or no? Are you clear on how to trade US 30? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Everyone else speak up. Not just talking to my brother this morning. Clear. Because if I hear one of you guys, Russell or Eric, enter in, it turned and it went the other direction. Nope, not having it. That's it. That's what you're doing. Yes. So just to clarify, we should see the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute turn to sell stops before the 30-minute. No, that's not at all what I'm saying, Malachi. Not at all. Yes, we can look at gold, but I don't want to look at gold. People are going to sucker me into staying, Mike. All right, here we go. What I'm saying is you are to let this rise up. Am I not speaking English? I'm saying to let this rise up more. Put a sell stop below or on the yellow line once it's risen up more. If it goes above the red, let it go up higher above the red, and then put your sell stop on the red line. But you can't enter the trade now, Mom, or anyone else out there thinking, oh, he called the 50. I called the fucking 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop 12 hours ago. Last night at 8 p.m., not 8 a.m. This is written out last night. Is that not a miracle? By the way, Mike, is that a miracle that I was able to call out the 1 minute buy stops for their blue line, and now I'm calling out the 30-minute, and we did it 12 hours ago? Is that not the craziest shit you ever heard?
Well, I've seen your crystal ball, Kev, so I know what you're looking at.
But isn't it still wild? It still just shocks me to all hell. It still is impressive to crap that this is how trades happen. I know that someone in our family is dying inside when I can predict what's going to happen in the market 12 hours before it happens. Actually, I predicted what was going to happen in the market. See, because yesterday, hold on. This is the stupid ass shit. Hold on. You guys got to see this. You got to laugh your asses off. So this is the logic. So yesterday we called the downturn yesterday. I called it last Monday. Actually, I called it the week before. I've been writing it out since last Monday, the 26th, till yesterday when it fell. You know what they said, Mike? Listen to this. You want to see the logic, the stupidity, the actual scam of the world is when they do the news to match what happens. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to see if I can find something here. Oh my God, it was so funny. Oh, I didn't say it. I didn't send it to that one. I sent it to the email. I'm going to pull it up. Hold on. You guys got to hear this. This is the funniest shit on earth. This is the stuff that legends are made of how stupid these people are. You will just die, Mike. You will just die. You'll laugh so hard when you hear this news. So keep this in mind. This is it. Use on the show tomorrow. On CNN, Dow plunges more than 400 points as spiking yields weigh on stocks. So this is what they said, that things went down because the spiking yields made the stocks go down. The Dow plunges more than 400 points because the spiking yields weigh on stocks. McCarthy's ousters could hurt the U.S. economy.
What?
They're saying that yesterday, when I called, everyone listen to me. I called out and wrote out the 4-hour sell stop back on the 26th that it was going to happen on NAS and US 30 and SPX, to be clear. All happens on one. I called this drop. Everyone here knows it. Everyone here saw it. I called this 250 pip drop since Monday of last week. I've been writing it out. And then it dropped yesterday. This is their logic. On CNN yesterday, they're telling us the Dow went down because of spiking yields. Bond spiking yields weigh in on stock. Can you imagine the absolute gall, the absolute balls, the absolute lyingness of CNN and everyone else out there? I know who's in our family. I know what he listens to. He's going, yep, that's what they said. And he's dying inside. I called the fall.
Dumb it down so us guys that aren't really into what's spiking.
CNN is lying. Spiking means nothing. Spiking is just words they're saying because there's a reason. I mean, that's an actual thing.
But that means yields are going up.
Mike, it means they've lied to you and are just telling you bullshit to fit what happened to the market. The news, what they're reporting, they didn't report it before it happened like I did. They're reporting it after it fell, and they come up with a reason of why it fell. I'm telling you it fell because the chart showed it was going to fall. There's a night and day difference. Either the body heals itself.
It's premeditated. What you're looking at is premeditation.
Correct.
And they're going after the fact.
And at the top of the level, they're going from BlackRock or Vanguard or State Street or whatever they call themselves or whatever version that is. And so all it is, Mike, why this goes up and down is, hey, Mike, I'm going to call you insider stuff. I'm going to say, hey, Mike, I want the market to go down 200 pips on Tuesday. And you go, okay, thank you for telling me that. And I'm going to have gold go up $300 on Monday. Oh, thank you, John. Hey, Janine, I want ERUSD to go down below the blue line over the next 6 months. Oh, thanks. And what they do is they all plan it out. And then when they make their move, they program it into the little AI, Aladdin or Adam, depending if you're going with BlackRock or Vanguard. They each have their AI. And then the AI draws out their pattern. And it does it. And it either go up or down. It doesn't matter what their news is. Do you understand? The only news that temporarily affects something or will engage a higher time frame for us is CPI and FTMOC. And that's just because it's a bunch of bullshit and they get so many people to buy it. They'll spike it for momentarily, then they'll pull it right back to where it's supposed to be. But any other news like this bullshit, right? It's not anything. It's literally they're matching the news to what happened. I'm telling you what happened before it happens because the system predicts with 100% accuracy before it happens. They're telling you the news after it happens. I can't be any clearer. I don't know how else they'll explain that to you, but that's it. So I was calling out that the Dow, whatever you want to call it, SPX, NAS, US 30, was going to drop 5 days before it happened. They came out with news after it happened telling you why. I'm telling you why it happened because the chart showed it, because BlackRock's AI, Aladdin, and Vanguard's AI, Adam, have to move in a certain way. And all I did was figure out their movements and can show it visually to you guys so you can see it before it occurs. They have to move it a certain way to drop it. They have to move it a certain way to move it up. I just hacked into their AI's ability to make those moves, and I see what they're going to do before they can do it. And obviously, by the way, does that make sense, Mike?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And obviously, they haven't been able to adapt to this because I've been using it for 3 years, a year and a half on TikTok, and over a year on YouTube. They can't change it. If they could change it, they would change it. But they're unable to change the way the AI moves. In other words, unless they don't move it up or they don't move it down, we will always be one step ahead of them, thanks to the system. Everyone out there, Mike, you've never traded long enough to understand, but everyone will say, oh, you indicators lag. 100% right, except for the safety trade system. It predicts with 100% accuracy. What I always give it 99% because you never know what God wants to do, with Forex. But it's 99% accurate, even though I've never seen it miss. Human error is the only way it misses because of the fact that it's reading their AI and their movements. They have to move. It's like if you play poker and you have that little, like someone does something and they give you a little, what is it called, Mike? You remember? Where someone tips their hand.
Oh, they tip their hand or a bluff?
Yeah, like they're bluffing, but you can see what they're going to do because they'll like touch their eyeball when they have the right eye when they have a good hand. It's a tell.
Oh, it's a trigger or an anchor.
A tell. It's a tell where they actually tip what they're going to do. It's called a tell technically in poker. So I have their tell because of what the system does. I have a tell of it. Good morning, Mark Davies. SC Nate says Kevin True sauce, the news is a tool to move price. Who owns the news? BlackRock fan. Correct. Yeah, this is crazy, says Stefan. My mind wandered. Can I still wait for the 15-minute sell stop? Absolutely, Tom Williams. Crystal clear. Can you look at gold? Yep, in a minute. All right, so everyone's getting bored with the concept, but that's all. You figured it out, says Fahad. Yep, that's correct. We did. Fascinating. Oh, so Jen Holmes. So there's a few people out there listening. Yeah, it's a tell. Yep. Good morning, Tom. All right, Mike. Well, this is fun. I'm going to go ahead and roll. What time is it? 8:05. I still have time. I'm going to come back on in a little bit. I want to go finish my damn health shit. All right, Mike, do you have any questions over that?
No, I got it. It's clear. It's definitely clear. So wait, I have one other. I do have one.
Go ahead.
Since we're looking at this US 30, when it rises up above the red line before we enter in our sell stop.
What time frame are you looking at, Mike?
We should check on the earlier time frames to make sure there's not a buy stop.
Yeah, you learned your lesson. Amen. Correct.
Okay.
If there is an earlier time frame, you either don't take the sell or just wait for it to invalidate itself. The top line here turns the red. You can even do the Bach break if you had to do it. I would wait for like this to change. And you don't have to catch 90% of the time, especially on the higher time frames. You're going to see one of them move the other direction. Say you would see NAS fall down. NAS goes down on the 30. It engages its 30-minute sell stop. You're probably not going to see US 30 engage until after that. Does that make sense? Okay. So just be aware, one of them will normally go first.
And then the other two will follow.
Yep. You might have two go at the same time. And then might all three go at the same time. Oh, fuck it, I missed it. Well, that's called life. You missed it. That's life.
Well, yeah, I just want to make sure I don't get caught again by checking the earlier time frames to make sure the opposite isn't setting up.
Correct.
Isn't setting up.
Correct.
Right.
They'll keep you out of every bad trade ever humanly possible. All right, I'm going to go over gold, I guess. You want to go ahead and go, Mike? I'm going to let you off. Are you good?
Yeah, no, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. Love you, bro. All right. Everyone, thank Mike for sharing, for coming on and sharing his woes with us. Appreciate that, my brother. Your challenge, your learning experience you had today will help out hundreds, if not thousands of other people. Okay. Now, 30-minute sell stops are ready to roll. Do with the knowledge is what you want to please on that. Let me go US 30. Okay. Now, Thank you, Mike, for sharing. Yep. Thank you, Mike. Yep. 1 minute buy stop gold alert from the scanner, by the way, says Russell Brown. Thanks, Mike. Thanks, Mike. Thanks. Kate, quick question. Can you go over how you 1 minute buy stop for the blue line for all three last night? Yeah, we already did that. You can rewatch this video later. I will get to it if I'm staying, but I'm trying desperately not to stay. Jurin, we've already went over that multiple times. Thank you again, Mike, for sharing. Huge lesson for everybody. Huge lesson for everybody. Buy stop 1 minute. Buy stop 1 minute US 30. Buy stop 1 minute NAS, not as good. I can't really call that. SPX, kind of. Buy stop SPX 1 minute. Buy stop US 30 1 minute. Or if you don't like playing 1 minute, wait for a 30-minute sell stop. Place it well below. You can even do it off the 1 hour if it go up a little bit higher, as I was telling you all. Wasn't that fun, though? Thanks, Mike, so much. So if I was going to put a sell stop in, I'd put it down here somewhere like this, away from the action. Don't let it get suckered in, and wait. That's it. Where are we going to? We're going to the NAS 4-hour blue line. So if you come over to NAS right here, we're looking for it to come down to there. Will it? I don't know. Will it go up a little bit higher before it does it? Yeah, it always does. It never. This is how NAS will go down to its 4-hour blue line, like it's been doing. It'll drop a little bit, then it will come up, and then it'll drop, and then it will come up, then it will drop, and then it will come back up, then it will drop, and then it will come back up, then it will drop, and then it will come back, then it will drop, and then you'll hit it somewhere down here. That's what they do every time. Everyone thinks it's like a straight line fall. Nothing could be further from the truth. Never, ever on a higher time frame does it go down 600 pips. It'll go down a couple hundred pips, come back up. Maybe 100, 150. Then it will come down 200 pips again, come back up. Then it will come down 200, 300 pips again. In NAS's case, 150, 200, 250 is really high. US 30, you can move 300, 400 pips in a day down. But each one has their own. And on SPX, you might get 20 to 30, maybe 40 pips in a day. And that's the equivalent thereof. That's all. All right. Someone said they wanted me to look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. I can't believe I'm going to miss my fucking health stuff for you guys. I'm really not going to be happy. I hope to God I don't miss all my health stuff for you guys. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop gold. Yep. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop gold. 15 minutes forming a 30-minute sell stop gold right down here. Sell stop gold, 30 minute. No, it's actually a 1 hour. Sell stop gold, 1 hour, 4 hour. And that's it. See why you're having trouble to go down any further? Because last week when I called it, gold dropped down to here. Oh, you should hear their logic on why gold dropped. Gold went down because of blah, 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 blah. Oh my God, they're so stupid with their logic. They're just lying to you. Every day they lie to you with the news. Every day they lie to you with the news. How are there only 52 likes when Kevin is here for us every morning by the system? Thank him. Thank you, Ken Rose. What's up, Ken? Good morning, Ken. Can you think the NAS will hit its 5 minute blue line? Don't play thinks. Don't care if it does or doesn't. Play every 1 minute buy stop until it does hit its 5 minute blue line. Kev, you think the NAS? Nope, already done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mike. All right. So that's gold. I can run through all of these. I can't believe I'm going to do that. Fuck. All right, here we go. Here we go. Buy the system so y'all can learn to trade for yourselves, please. Buy the system, okay? Good morning, Sandro. Who called that out in the Discord last night? Martar. I want to give credit to the people who called out the blue line trades. We had perfection last night. We had Monique, 11.11. Monique, I think you're on this morning. And Martar. Both called out the NAS buy stop and SPX buy stops an hour and a half in the Discord before it happened. I'm giving full credit to Monique. Do I have this up here? Yeah, let's take a look. Monique, are you on live right now? Hold on. Monique, are you on the live? Let's see. Right here. This is them calling it out. This is me giving credit to them in the Discord. Monique and Martar. Martar called it first at 2:06 a.m. 1 minute buy stop in the money on NAS. He called it out. And then Monique said you both made Monique was in. I'm sorry. So Monique called it out and Martar called it out. So both of you get 100% credit. You paid attention when I was saying 1 minute buy stops to the blue lines last night at 8 p.m., 9 p.m., whatever it was. And yep, y'all get credit for it. There you go. 100%. I'm so proud of them. That means they're actually reading it correctly. I mean, that was amazing. So congratulations to both of you. Very, very, very happy for both of you for reading the charts correctly and seeing the trades. Aladar 2, you have a type form. You're really telling on yourself at this point, sir. You need to go off and reread your type form. It's in there, how to do the Discord. Coach, every time I hear you say 1 hour before I go directly to Nadex, says Sandro, right? Because that's it. You're exactly right. Right now would be a very good time to head over to nadex.com. An extremely good time to head over to nadex.com and open up some options, whether you do demo ones to learn or whether you do real ones, up to you. But right now would be an extremely good time to head over to here. Let's see what we're doing. I'm sure I'm in the money, I hope. Minus 350. Nope, not in the money anymore. We're going to come. Oh, that's ERUSD. That's why I should have shut those down. Fuck. We're going to come over to indices. We're going to come over to US. I'm going to do weekly. We're going to come over to here, and they don't have any opened up yet. Whoa, what? Wow. See the cheating little. Hold on. No way they know it. See how they cheat you? Wow, that's bullshit. Let me see if I can use the same thing though on US 30. Hold on. Wall Street daily. Weekly. See, because they're going to say the market isn't open yet. I think they pull them. I thought it was at 8. It might not be till oh, you little shitters. So now we're going to have to wait. You little I'm positive they'll have they don't even have the 810. What? Hold on. Yeah, there they are. So they'll do, okay. So fuck these idiots. Hold on a second. US 500, SPX 500, the equivalent thereof. Let me see. Do I want to get in the money on these ones or not? Let's see. Yeah, we'll do those. All right. I'm just going to drop in a few. This is a demo account only. I'm just going to show you if you want to make a little money by Friday. We'll see how this works out for us. We're going to pop that in. Poop, and now we're in. So that's all I did. Yeah, so we went to US 30, which is your SPX, which is your SPY. That's what that is. And nadex.com, we'll see how this goes up, down, whenever it's done. That's all. Now let's go back to where we were, and hopefully those buy stops are making. Oh, look, your buy stops are in the money on US 30. You made your money on the buy stop. You made your money on the buy stop on US 30. You made your money on buy stop on gold that was just called out a minute ago. You made money on your NAS buy stop. You made money on your SPX buy stop. There you go. And you're in the money on all 3 trades, all 4 trades. SPX 500 in the money. NAS 500, NAS 100 in the money, 1 minute. US 30 buy stop, 1 minute in the money. Gold, 1 minute buy stop in the money. Who called the gold out for us? That was somebody. Who called the gold out for us? Who called the gold out? Was it Sam UK? I don't think today it was. Someone else called the gold out. Monique. Oh, hi, Monique. Monique Kruger. Congratulations. Sorry, I didn't want to miss you. Thank you for calling that out in the Discord. Kevin, do I need a premium trading view for the sniper? You do now. You need to go up to the $12.95 a month. That has nothing to do with us, Mr. Sky. You need to get the premium. Nothing. The trading view is money hungry little people. They're just money hungry. That's all. I thought it was on Monday. What was Monday? Aladar 2, quit bringing up stuff that's individual for you or I'm going to block you. Stop it. Dear Lord, Naz is a rocket ship. Yep, buy stop. Called it out. Buy stop. 1 minute buy stop. Gold. Made money. That gold buy stop was fire, says Rico. Yep. Thanks for getting the heads up. Yep. Who's the one that said gold? Gold just went straight up. Yep, it did. I didn't call that, though. Someone told me to go to gold and look. Who's the one that told me to go to gold and look? Naz off. Yep. We're already up before everyone's getting started. Yep, Rico, that is correct. The scanner alerted me. Oh, Russell, was it you? Russell, yep, the scanner. The scanner, abso-fucking-lutely. Let me go over the scanner, too, because I don't think people understand the power of that one. Damn, there's so much shit to go over, I swear to God. Good thing I have time later. Hold on. Where is my scanner gone? Where is it at? There it is. This is the scanner he's talking about, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. This is the scanner. It alerted him to a 1 minute buy stop on gold. There it is. That's what it's showing you. The scanner is $50 a month. You can't do any better. Look at it. Just amazing. Yep, the scanner called it. By the way, the scanner also called. For $50 a month, the scanner called out a buy stop 1 NAS. SPX 1 minute buy stop, US 30 buy stop. Look what it's calling for oil right now. Buy stop on gold. The scanner called out every trade I did because it trades exactly like me because the great Keith Palmer programmed the scanner to trade 2 time frames and trade exactly like I do. So for $50 a month, y'all could be having this scanner, take this scanner information, which was gold, take that information. Are you looking at it? For $50 a month. Oh, Esther, congratulations, Esther. I'm so sorry. It was Esther, blessed life. Thank you, Esther. Well, Russell still told us the scanner, so both of you. Congratulations to both of you. Thank God, said Ranch Girl. Absolutely. Thank you for thanking God without being asked. Good morning, Shash. God bless you. So there it is. Thank you, Esther. Esther. Everyone gets credit here. No one gets, nope. Esther and Russell said the scanner. Esther said, look at gold. And Esther was 100%. Take a bow, Esther. Take a bow, Esther. And thank you, Russell, for bringing up the scanner. Look, these were called out. So what D-Nice does, and there are tons, I'm sure hundreds of other people, they pay $50 a month for this scanner. They go ahead and take that gold call. Then they come over here and they put gold into, shit. What happened to my thing? Hold on. Whoa. Hold on. Where did my other shit go? Here. Right here. Then they take that information. They go over to TradingView. Boop. They go over to TradingView. And then they put in gold, which I thought I had gold. I do. Haha. I'm learning, you guys. Hey, yo, fuck. Okay, I'm not learning enough. What happened to gold? Oh, don't forget about that. I would not be trading today after 1 p.m. They have that stupid alarm thing going on. Don't trade it. Do not trade today. Which gold do I use? Fudgicles. I'm going to try this one again. Let me see. Here it is. Okay. So we're going to go over to here, and we're going to show you how this worked on gold right now and how Esther saw it and how Russell told it for us on the sniper, off the scanner, I should say. Sorry. Now, look. What we have is this. This is so easy to do. So let me go through the steps. You buy the system for $575. You pay $50 a month more, and you get this scanner that Russell used to alert us to the gold that Esther probably didn't even need because she saw it on the regular one. But it does trade like me. So if you're trading more than 1 or 2 symbols, you might want to get this scanner. If you're not trading more than 1 or 2 symbols, then don't fucking waste $50 a month. Okay? Don't get it. But if you're trading more than 1 or 2, it's very helpful. So what happens? We take the alert from the gold, We put it in our trading view for gold, and we went and looked. I called this buy stop out live before it happened, just a minute or two before it happened. Why? Because of our rules. We have the sniper, $150 a month. Number one, it goes up, arches up, flat lines. Clearly seen. Number two, if there's news that's coming out in 5 minutes, don't trade it, blah, 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 blah. I don't give a fuck. Number two, blue line dips down on the 1 minute. Correct. Number three, right here, there is a, I did not just do that, but I remember what the guy said. Hold on. Hold on. There. Aha. Someone taught me that. Oh, I did it wrong. Hold on. Move to. Shit. Well, how am I supposed to get separation from these two? Hold on. Oh, God. Yeah, I suck at TradingView. Sorry, guys. That is an issue. Is that the same one I'm in, or is that the other one? Which one am I in? Fudgicles. At least I know what to do here. There we go. Okay, now we're right. Okay, sorry about that. I suck at this. 3, did the blue line dip down? 4, was there a buy stop? So again, this was gold, just happened a minute ago. 1, did the 3-minute blue line come up and go flat? It did. 2, did the 1-minute blue line arch down? It did. 3, did the pink line join it down on the 3-minute? It did. Was there a buy stop here? Yes, there was. And this is your buy stop. That's all you have to do. Do you have to do all those things? You really should. Technically, you could trade with just the 2 and the bullshit detector, but I want to get into that. It's right here. Buy stop, up it went. That's why it did that. The same exact thing happened for US 30. Look at it. Same exact thing happened to NAS. Same exact thing happened to SPX. You don't see the buy stop. You see a fill in the gap, but you see the sniper is correct. So the only way you could have took these trades if you're spending $150 a month on the sniper. NAS and SPX didn't show a clear buy stop. They're filling the gap. US 30 showed a clear buy stop. So that's how you do it. It is that easy to trade. 2 lines. Blue line was up high. Blue line dipped against it. Then you just have to recognize your confirmations. That's all. Hope that made sense. Good morning, Cliffy. Nice, Russ. Congratulations. I'm glad you're getting it today, Rico. Morning, Jason L. Rock the Bach. Yeah, I'm probably going to get off right around 10:30 this morning. Or maybe even 10. I don't plan to stay in on long. I can't believe I came on. I needed to finish my cardio. I needed to finish my inversion therapy. I need to do my grounding. Fuck. The grounding's already up. Is it 45 minutes since? Yes, it is. All right. What time is it? Okay, it's a few minutes before 8:30. If there is news, which I was told was Friday, but I don't give a fuck about any of it. But at any rate, don't play 8:30. Get the fuck out of the market. Stay out of the market. If you're going to do it, lock in profits. If you're still going to do that, lock in profits and move fast at 8:30. Matter of fact, I might just walk away and do my grounding now. Do not forget, today at 2:30, they're doing that nationwide alarm. This is my public service announcement. Whether there's any conspiracies attached to that, I can't tell you. But today at 2:30, they're going to be testing not just your phones. They're going to ring and vibrate. There's a way to avoid that if you don't want it to happen, but they're going to do it to all computers and TVs also. They're not just doing it here. They're doing it in Russia at the same time, which I think is extremely odd. Anybody in Russia and can confirm that for me? If there's anybody in Russia, please speak up so I can know. Yep. All right. I'm in a big job today, and it's just crazy. Have a great day and a great week if I don't see you before I leave for the weekend getaway. Yay, Patrick. You too, sir. Enjoy your day. Get the hell out of Cleveland, bro. Go do your grounding, Kev. You need to take care of yourself the way you take care of us. Use that 815. A makeshift Faraday cage could wrap your phone in tinfoil and put it in the microwave. Not sure about TV, though. Yep, that is correct. But I'm not getting any of that. Not saying we're all going to turn into zombies or anything like that. Definitely not saying that. Maybe just go for a hike in nature. There you go. Good morning, Solace Soul. Good morning. Patrick, enjoy your weekend. All right. Thank you for who's ever on TikTok. Everybody on YouTube, head over to TikTok, and everybody on TikTok, head over to YouTube. It just helps my algorithms to go out there and reach more people so we can help more people make more money. My TikTok is The Real Safety Trade. It'll be the only one live with me doing it. If you're on any other link watching me that's not YouTube or TikTok, it's fake. If it's not my account, then you're getting scammed. So if you need to be going through my account to see this live, don't pay for something that's free. I give this away for free every day. 1 minute buy stop forming. What the hell is this? US 30. Fill in the gap, buy stop forming for NAS. Fill in the gap, buy stop forming. 1 minute buy stop. All three indices again. 1 minute buy stop. All three indices again. If you don't want to play the 1 minute, then you have what's called 30-minute sell stops. And this were all, by the way, everything you're playing right now was called at 8 p.m. last night. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line by 9:30. It happened. 15-minute, 30-minute. I kept telling you, I just kept feeling it was going to be a 30-minute sell stop to the NAS 4-hour blue line. It might turn into a 1-hour sell stop. 30-minute sell stop to the NAS blue line. It's as simple as that. If you don't want to play the buys, then do the sells and vice versa. Okay? Now, let me go down to here real quick and move this over to here. Okay. Let me grab this real quick. Okay. Now, I think we're golden. Let me see one more thing. Okay. Now, where were we? 1 minute buy stop on gold also is forming. Doesn't mean you enter the trade. Well, if it's in there, you do. But just wait for the trade to develop, okay? People are funny. All right. Let's go over here. You can get a better entry, by the way, on the 30-second charts. Let's take a look right here. Yes, we're on TradingView now. Yeah. We're already past the blue line. These are 30-second candles you're looking at. And these are 1 minute. Yes, you can go down to the 30. Actually, you can go lower than that. If you don't want to play the 1 minute buy stop, because we've been playing it for the last hour and a half, then you can do the other. What's up, the R? Good morning. Awesome stuff, Kevin. Thank you, the R. Is this phone shenanigans happening in UK too? I don't know if this phone should. Good way to put shenanigans. I love that word. It's old fashioned, but I love it. I don't know on the UK. I know it's happening in America, and I believe it's happening in Russia. Can you believe it? And they're not just testing it for 1 minute, which is whatever. That's fine. They're testing it for 30 minutes. Why does anyone on earth need a 30-minute test? I'll leave you guys on that thought. I'm not going to leave, but I'm not going to talk about it much anymore. Why is there a 30-minute test instead of the usual 1 minute test? I don't know. You guys ever see the movie The Signal? If that happens, I'm going to laugh my ass off. Canada too. Okay. Yeah, they can't control us enough. Yep. Watch the movie They Live. It's a classic. It's an oldie, but it's a goodie. Anyone see the movie Cell? Yep. Or Cell. Yep. Bit hunter. Yep. All right. Now, industry return for industry canceled. Oh, I hope not. I'm sure I'll get back to him. Nice. All right. We should probably talk about actual things. XMS, they don't stop with their shit. All right. Does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments while we have a minute? And then I'm going to go over some training right now since we have a minute. And since I'm not leaving, which I should be. You're in the money on the NAS buy stop, by the way. Right here, from here. Now, how to figure that out? Hold on. Somewhere around here would have been your entry. Maybe to there. So 8-10 pips, which is really good considering. Oh, shit. Oh, what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Oh, no. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. We're in the money on NAS. All right. Where's Metal Mine? Tank Dog, yes. Where? Fuck. How did I just take away those other signals? Good morning, Yolanda. Who's good here with TradingView? Fuck. I just took away the other two. I guess I can add them back in, but how did I take them away? I just clicked on this. Where do my other two sets of indicators go, guys? There should be an undo button at the top. Really? Oh, this thing? Is that an undo button? Nope. It's undoing just going through my things. It's not showing other indicators. Reload. Fuck. I don't know if this is the right template. How do I reload the template? 30-second, 1 minute. Geez. Geez. I don't know if I saved this template. 1 minute version. Is this the latest one up here? This one here? Copy. Probably the copy, but I don't know if that's the one I want. Oh, boy. I went and did it now. Uh-oh. Well, that ain't right. I saved that template. There we go. Okay, let me make a copy of this template. Shit, what is this? 1 minute. 3 minutes. Oh, okay. Thank you, Russell. Am I there? Yeah, I think I'm there. Hold on. Why do they go away like that, though? That's pretty scary. NAS is in the money. SPX is in the money. Gold, 1 minute buy, stop gold. All right, so why did it go away, though? I clicked one fucking thing and it went flying like it destroyed everything. It's kind of weird, that one button. I don't even know what I hit. Oh, well. Thank you very much, Russ. You've been on fire this morning, Russ. Okay. This is a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Is it as good as the previous one? No, it is not. Oh, shit. Sorry. Hold on. This is much better. SPX is a much better entry, but what happens on one happens on all. You made a little money on this one. I don't know if you took it or not in US 30. That's up to you guys how you play these. I guess from here to here, which again, where did my thing go? Is this the ruler? No. Oh, no. Where'd the ruler go? Well, hold on. How do I can't move the ruler up? Oh, shit. I had it up before. We need to get the ruler up. How do I delete this shit? I don't want this shit. How do I? What? No, I don't. I don't want it. I want to. Yo, I want to take that shit. How? Hey, Russ, how do I take that shit away? Sorry, people are trying to help me. What's up, Jules? Bring the others back. I don't know how. Asked Shannon. Which do you suggest? I'm not. I'm sorry, Jules. What are you asking? I don't see your other question. Let's see. Can you go to another chart and then come back to your saved template? Yes, that's what. Yes, thank you. Click the down arrow below the trash can icon on the bottom left chart. Trash can icon, bottom left chart. I can't see all that. Oh, you wait a second. You're in the money. Shit. Stop. No, I don't want text there. Oh, God. You're in the money on the US 30 buy stop. You're in the money on the NAS buy stop. You're in the money on the SPX 1 minute buy stop. Gold still coming. A little more concerned with gold. Hold on a second. Gold's a 1 minute buy stop too. That's all. You either you're in the money on the trades or you're not. That's the way it goes. Now come back to the template you were on. There you go. There's an undo button at the top. It didn't work. Mine does it as well, but usually comes back when I change time frames. Oh, okay. I'll try to do that next time. In and out. God bless. Nice, hot auto traders. Congratulations. Sometimes click down arrow below trash can star on bottom level of chart. Click down arrow below trash can icon and star bottom level of chart. I got too much shit open. I don't think I can see the whole thing. How can I move? I want to get rid of this shit over here. I don't want these up. How do I get rid of this? The only thing I want over here is my ruler. I don't want to see the rest of this shit. I want my ruler up over here. Is that possible? Jules, I don't know what you're asking. If you want to ask that again. Good morning, One Polygot, Julie Gaia. Good morning, James Bond again. Anyone on TikTok or YouTube know about that shit? Let's see. We're still in the money on this one. Looks like it. How do I remove this shit? I don't want to ever see Fibonacci's and look at all this bullshit they make. I don't want any of the drawing tools. I just want my little ruler down here, this thing. Can I delete these things? Maybe I can roll them off. Hold on. Maybe I can just roll them. Okay, I'll just roll them. That's good enough. Let's see if that'll work. Hold on. Yeah, that'll work. I can just roll them. That's fine. Okay. All right. So let's see. We made money earlier on a buy stop, earlier again on a buy stop, and we just made money again on that buy stop. So there's money made. I knowingly that at least 3 times. We're playing these buys that were called out. What we're really waiting for ultimately is going to be a 30-minute, probably, 30-minute sell stop right here. Now, sell stop. Sell below, well, you can raise this up. On the yellow line, 30-minute, what is this, SPX? Sell stop, 30-minute, as called out 12 hours ago. Can you imagine making a trade 12 hours ahead of time? Sell stop, US 30, also not quite as good. Well, it's above it. Put it on the yellow line. Put it on the yellow line. 30-minute sell stops, all 3 indices. Yes, this has been called out. 12 hours ago, I wrote this shit out. 1-minute buy stops, the blue line. It happened. 50-minute, 30-minute sell stop to NAS 4-hour blue line. It's going to happen. I called the 30-minute sell stops as it's being created right now 12 hours ago, just so we're all clear. I have a few trades open. I have a few buys open right now. They're up a little bit. More than happy with the money. I have some sells coming up very soon. These are my buys right now. Just a little bit of money. I'm happy with that. I have some options open and through Nadex on demo. Those are just strictly, those are SPX 500s for a sell today. I did it right after that big push-up too. That should be a big help, actually. All right, let me go back to here. You know what I'm going to do? Is I'm going to go ahead and go back to the indices. Let me see if we have... yeah, they're filled in now. Okay. You're in the money, 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 money. Let me come back over to here. Let me come over to here. In the money on your 1 minute buy stop US 30s, you're in the money. You're in the money on your NAS buy stop, still 1 minute. You're in the money on your SPX buy stop. Now you're in the money on the gold buy stop. And now you're in much more money on the US 30 buy stop. You're seeing this move live in action with you multiple times this morning. I don't know what more it takes you to convince you to do this trade, but whatever it is, let me know, because I want you all to make money. This is a buy stop strictly because of our rules on the sniper. You have the 3 minute buy stop line, blue line on the sniper was high. You have the dip down right here of the blue line on the 1 minute. You had the 3 minute dip down pink line. Then you had the buy stop right here. Put it in on the yellow line and you're up. How much? Oh, I don't know. I rolled it around. Where did it go? Right here. Somewhere around there you'd have got in. So let's see there. And you made it up to here. 37 pips. So let's just say 30. By the time you get in and out, you'd have missed the entry or something. You'd have made 30 pips on this trade. And you want to know, no, I did it again. Fuck, and I didn't save the thing. Fuck. Okay, that undo button sucks my ass. That undo button is a bunch of fucking bullshit. Gosh darn fudgicles. Dang gone it, mother. What the? You can't double click on your charts in TradingView. Let me tell you that. What the? That's pitiful. Wow. That is pitiful. Let's see if I can get it back somehow. It looks like we're missing something. Wow. I can't believe that. And I forgot to save it. I didn't even save it like I said I was going to do. Wow. Yeah, there we are. Well, that was easy. Oh, my God. TradingView, that's weak, bro. That's really weak. TradingView, that's embarrassingly bad, but whatever. All right. Same rules apply. So this is how it looks like on US 30. You made money on that trade, 37 pips. If you go over to NAS, you couldn't have done it without the sniper because it would have been a fill in the gap. You don't understand that is, but it also was a buy stop and you made money. And again, SPX, you couldn't have done it without the sniper. It's the fill in the gap. You made money on the SPX buy stop. All these trades are done live. Matter of factly, not only all those trades done live, but all these trades were called out 12 hours last night on a live YouTube video with me telling you what was going to happen. 1 minute buy stops, the blue lines are closed by 9:30 a.m. and it did it, forming a 30-minute sell stop to NAS for our blue line, which it's doing right now. So if you don't want to play these 1 minute buy stops, then just wait. Whatever, they're going to come out with some bullshit news later. They're going to open at the market and have it snipped down. I don't know. But that's what they're going to do later on today. Probably around, if not at 9:30, around 10:02. You'll see it flip and come down again. Can I be any more specific to you? Wait till about 10:05 and let's see where we're at. 10:05 a.m. Everybody out there that's here right now, remember what I'm telling you. I don't know, Jules, what you're asking. You won't repeat yourself, so I can't help you. Everybody from YouTube, head over to TikTok. Everybody from YouTube, please head over to TikTok. I know you guys aren't giving me thumbs up. I've given up on that. I can't believe there's 105 of you watching with 64 thumbs up. That is scummy and scammy. I don't care if you guys steal my shit. I don't care if you take every one of my college and you make money every morning with me. But the least your lazy asses can do would be giving me the thumbs up, and go over to TikTok and watch me there. Okay? Kev, just double click again. Really? I am scared of that. You hit full screen. Gold ripping. Let's take a look at gold. Money on gold. Click the down arrow on the trash can chart. 10 minutes news. Yeah, 10-minute news can suck it. 9:45. Saul's is over there trying to help me. Saul of news. Please head over from YouTube to TikTok. That's how you guys can have my back, okay? Let's take a look at gold. You're in the money on gold too. So now you're in the money on gold 3 times this morning. You're in the money on SPX 3 times this morning. You're in the money on NAS this morning. And you're in the money on US 30. How do I know? Because I'm trading along with you, okay? When I'm trading with you, that means these ones that were just $20 are now $200. All those trades you see me in right now are the buy stops that I told you guys to do. Take the money and run. You can close down a few of these. You don't have to keep them all open. News in 15 minutes, news and this and news and that and news here and news that and news there. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. Fuck news. I'm so sick of it. They're just liars. I just showed you this morning how they were liars. I still don't think my brother understood that, but they're liars. They are liars and the kings of it. Let me see if I can get ERUSD up over here. Surely I can find that one. EURUSD. Who does it good, though? Oyanda Forex. Seems like Forex.com. I wonder if they're active. Does anyone trade ERUSD on TradingView? Which one? Oh, Pepperstone, maybe. I wonder which one is they give us real-time signals. Let me... Good morning, Yoda Man 777. Love the name. Guys, come on. He's making such an effort, and you can't click the bloody likes. I know, right, Mr. Sky? It's quite embarrassing. Good morning, Truck Driving Patriot. Where you been, brother? Where have you and Lauren been? Good morning. Black Bill? Okay. I tried Black Bill. I thought they were a little behind one time, but we'll give them a go. And let's see here. I didn't save it. Damn, hold on. How do I do that little, hey, how do I add ERUSD to my favorite? I swear to God, I'm like a child. I'm like a child. Where is that? I thought we had that little thing over here where I can favorite them all. There it is. Never mind, I found it. I'm like a child. Okay, I didn't find it. Now I found it. There we go. So now we should have ERUSD. Oh, nice. We're going to get up a little thing over here. Gold in the money. SPX was in the money. NAS was in the money. US 30 was in the money. If you're holding these trades longer than you should, you're greedy pigs. You literally made a shit ton of money from here to here. I don't know how much that was because I lost my ruler, but I'm learning I can roll it. Entry would have been from here up to here, which you can't do because there's stupid box. You made 45 pips pre-market open on that last 1 minute buy stop on US 30. And you also made money on NAS, SPX, and gold. Bingo, boppo, bango. There they are. There's your money. And there it is. You're welcome. Thank you, God. Thank you, Kevin. Yep. Thank you for the system. I don't really want thanks, by the way. I can give a fuck less. But it is nice when you thank God, thank Bri, that kind of thing. I use Black Bull for my account. Okay, cool. I'm glad it's up to date. Gold is King says, sorry, have lots of... Oh, I'm sorry. But you've been killing it? Oh, nice, Truck Driving Patient. Congratulations. Prayers to you. Healing prayers in Jesus' name. Everyone, please pray for everybody that's listening to us that needs healing. And especially Truck Driving Patient, please. Kevin, you can't get TradingView right, and you want me. I'm 10 times worse than you. Well, that's your life, Mr. Sky. You got to learn, brother. We got to come out of the dark ages. No, not really. I still use MetaTrader 4 most of the time. Good morning, Muna Omar. Good morning, Muna. And I think sometimes that's funny. All right, everybody on TikTok, please head to YouTube. Everybody on YouTube, please head to TikTok, especially that. Everybody on YouTube, please go over to TikTok. I have your back. I'm on here trading with you live. I've given you a system for just $575. Hell, I gave you the fucking system. I didn't have to do it. I don't have to have it out there. I can keep it to myself and just trade myself. Yes, all of your monies do help me, cover costs and then some. That's true. But yes, I can make money on my own, and I don't need you guys here. I'm just telling you. But whatever. To each his own. If you guys want to go over and support me, that's great. If you don't, I remember. Trust me. Bri forgets nothing, but I remember the guys who help and the ladies and gentlemen who don't help. And I do not have to renew any of you when your time for renewal comes up. Trust me on that one. So if you can't hit the thumbs up, then head over to TikTok and at least manage that. Look how much money you're up. Wow, that's crazy. Can't call another buy stop. It just happened. There's nothing we can do. Either you're in these buy stops right now or you're waiting for the sell stops to happen. There's your money. Take that money and run. See? Boom. SPX is forming a fill in the gap buy stop, 1 minute. NAS is forming a fill in the gap buy stop, 1 minute. US 30 is forming a. See, I can't call these other than fill in the gap. So there's nothing to call. I can't call the trades, even though they're going to happen. It just is what it is. No voice lag on TikTok. Correct. It's much faster on TikTok. Good morning, Yolanda Herring and McCL. Good morning. Oh, I didn't see you. Good morning, Steve. RD Hot C5. Good morning. Bob Uten is number one. Julie Gaia must have walked away for a minute. Thank you all for Health, Family, and Wealth for coming over from YouTube to TikTok. I wish you would all do that. That'd be very helpful. If everyone on YouTube, one of these days, though, I have a feeling. If you guys don't do it today, I have a feeling by Friday, I'm not going to go live on YouTube. So the 100 of you watching now that aren't over on TikTok, I think I'm going to close down this feed on YouTube, maybe even Thursday and Friday, and only be on TikTok. So if some of you willingly go over there now, I won't do that. But if I can't get about 60 people over to TikTok, I think I'm going to do that. I might even do it now. I might even close it now. So unless some of you come over from YouTube over to TikTok, I'm going to close it down. YouTube is going to go bye-bye. Bye, bye, bye. Gonna get to you. We're gonna da. Gold is forming a 1 minute buy stop, and that's all we got. Bye, bye, bye. Gonna get to you. Gonna be the one. Gonna get to you. Bye, bye, bye. 101 of you watching on YouTube. If you don't head over to TikTok, just pull it up on your phone. It's actually better sound over there, and it is quicker. I don't give a fuck about any of that. Just do it because I'm asking you to. If I don't get that up to 60 in the next few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and drop YouTube, and then you'll have no choice but to watch me on TikTok. I don't care if you watch it. Just pull it up on your phone and push it to the side and mute it for all I care. All I want is for the algorithm. So more people see it on TikTok, more people come in. They'll send it out to more people. That's all. Is that so hard to do? Hitting a fucking TikTok button, really? As I give you hundreds. Blessed Life, that's fine. That sell stop is going to be pretty, says Blessed Life FX. I understand not all the same names go over there. I get it. All right, we're in our 50s. I guess that's good. Thank you, guys. It's the real safety trade. Literally, you go under TikTok. Let me see if I can show you. You go under TikTok. Log in. I don't know if I can log in on this computer. And there it is. The real safety trade. So you just type it in, just like this. What I have down there is what it is. And then it looks just like that. That's what you'll see. That's me. The real safety trade. Kevin Grego, 271,000 followers. And that's what it is. So how you cannot find me, I don't know. You just do a search, you type in the real safety trade, and it will come up and look like this. I'm sorry, Kev. I got rid of TikTok. Just my principle. Always make sure to hit the thumbs up. Thank you, Jason L. Yep, you click the little live button that's saying live right there where it's flashing, just like that. And yep, it is. And yes, I'm live. And yeah, I'm there. Bye, bye, bye. Hey, we're in the 60s. Thanks, guys. Yay, appreciate that. Bye, bye, bye. We're going to get to you. All right. Now, what can we do? How much time we got left? 30 minutes. All right. That's gold looking. Can't call it. Let it go down further. ERUSD. Let me see something. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, I shouldn't be looking around there. All right, we'll come back. All right. Now, we're going to get to you. Bye, bye, bye. Oh. We're going to get to you. Bye, bye, bye. We're going to get to you. Bye, 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 bye. We're going to get to you. All right. Let's see what we got. Thank you, Arlene, for being there. Thank you, Trader 001. I am Groot. Oh, thank you for identifying yourself. But that's okay, my TikTok, your TikTok. Nice to see you, though. Who is Chuck Wagon? Says Larry Miller. I don't know. My questions. Yes, Jules, they're being erased because you can't ask certain questions here. YouTube, TikTok, they block that kind of stuff based on the words you're using. So you need to email over your question. You can send it over to here. Bye, bye, bye. You can send it right here to the Forex Safety Trade System at Gmail. Type your questions over there and I will answer them live. The Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. Buy stop 1 minute is now about to form. It isn't forming yet. It's about to form. What's up, Nemo Poot? Nemo Putt? Nemo Putt? How cute that is. Best system. I'm on both. Thank you, Divergence. Good morning, Yolanda. Thank you, Ranch Girl, for being on both. Divergence, thank you for being on both. Marks, good morning, Marks. Good morning, Forget Me Not. Thank you, Sandra, for being on both, too. And for everyone that is on both, I do appreciate it. It just helps. Don't ask. It's just TikTok shit. Sound is better, too. It is. Jules, you're going to need to email in your questions. When you do, I'll respond to them on live. Who is Chuck Wagon? I don't know, Larry Miller. Why are you asking? I am Groot. Let's see. Where do we go with this one? Sorry. Trader 001. Thank you, sir. Arlene, thank you, sir. Ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Larry Cooper. He has an account on TikTok that uses your system. Oh, yeah, there's a scam artist. There was like 10 or 12 Kevin Gregos at one time. They seem to have all been taken down thanks to you guys. And there's still like the safety trade .01 or something. There's scam artists. Trader 001 is Joe Dixon. Nice, Joe. I'm great, Kev. Thanks. Oh, good. All right. It shows a video, but no live. Yes, it does. Danny Cole. Good morning, Danny. What's up, my brother? What's up, Danny? Buy stop 1 JPN 225 called on the scanner. Okay. I guess I can look JP. Hold on. Yeah, I don't have it here. Let me go over here to symbols. Let me go over here to Japan. Japan. Cryptos, metals, crosses, indices. Doop. Stop. And it is correct. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, JPN 225. Can I trade that? I don't think I can trade that in the other one. Nice call, Russell. Russell, you are absolutely making me look. For $50 a month, you look at these. Woo! Did the scanner break? What the fucking hell? Look at this. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Boom. Boom. Look at them all. Look, Russell. This is like Christmas. I always love this scanner. Keith did such a great job, an outstanding job. Keith has created the most outstanding scanner. Am I saying all that clearly? Keith Palmer has created the most outstanding scanner in the history of Forex or trading ever. This scanner is trading 100% like I trade. It is looking at 2 time frames. It is trading to the blue line. All of this for $50 a month, and we gave all this to you as free upgrades. Remember? I didn't charge you guys a penny more for any of this. Look at it. Woo! Ric Flair drip, baby. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Now, whether they go up or not is irrelevant. That's up to you. Make your decisions. I'm not a financial analyst. This is just for fun. Look at them all. You guys really need to go from TikTok to YouTube, too. It really helps. Look at all the different ones. Woo! Woo! New Zealand chef, man. We're on fire this morning. We got some trades going. There's some action in the water. We got the fish biting. That is IOTA, USD, was a buy stop. Look at that. Stocks will be opening up here soon within 25 minutes. 55 of those. It's crazy, this scanner. $50 a month. You guys piss away $50 a month on whatever. Just anything. Or you can have this scanner that trades just like me, making calls out for you. Then you take that information. You come over here and say, hey, I wonder if that's accurate or not. And then you make your own decision as a human being. Say, hey, I might not want that. Maybe I won't take this one. Maybe I will take that one. Maybe I won't take this one. Who knows? And that's up to you to do with however you want to deal with this. But at least you have the information to take a trade or not. It's alerting you to that. I think it's amazing. That's all. Gonna be the one. Do not forget, all these buy stops are leading up to 30-minute sell stops. So don't forget to put in your sell stops, please. Damn, Russell, I really like when you do that. Please tell me those things. Good morning, Danny, again. On Nadex Monday, you had that wrong input of USD JPY. The funny part is up like 200 in the move. I followed you on my demo and still put out. Nice. Even when I'm wrong, I'm right. That's funny as fuck. Thank you, Jason Roby, for telling me that. But yeah, that was the wrong call. I later went into ERUSD and we made like $690 or some shit. I don't know, whatever it was. Joe Bigga, good morning. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, OG. Good morning, Tanny. Will the real Kevin Gregg go, please stand up. Please stand up. LeBro, what's up, LeBro? Matt Parker, buy stop, NAS 1 minute. Correct. Sandro, Kevin, can you explain how simple your system is and why beginners figure it out so quickly? Well, some beginners figure it out so quickly. Some do not. But yes, I sure can. Let's take a look. How much time do I have? Yep, I have time. Good morning, Brexit. All right. Did anyone email me any questions in? Shopify. Yep, I got to get that set up. I don't see any message from you at Jules. Yeah, we will send you out the scanner link, Rico, in a couple hours. Good, Kev. Hope you are well also. Yes, sir. Absolutely, Libro. I am 100% happy. Couldn't be any happier if I would have did my damn little cardio this morning, my inversion therapy. I got my breathing in. I'll do it afterwards because today I don't have anyone to train. So I'm willing to do it afterwards, but I'm not thrilled about it. But other than that, yeah, I'm good. Okay, let's take a look. It's in a book, Reading Rainbow, 1 minute buy stops on everything. It's in a book. It's in a book. 1 minute buy, US 30, NAS, SPX. 1 minute buy, Japan 222. 1 minute. Boom. Who's in the money on Japan 225? Thank you, Russell. Thank you, Russell. Look at that. You're welcome, Matt Parker. Look at that. Look at what Russell called out with the great scanner from Keith Palmer, who trades just like me. There it is. Called out live, traded live. How many fucking times do we have to do this? By the system. It was a Japan. Where the hell is my Japan? There it is. Japan 225 buy stop. You can clearly see it right here. Japan 222, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. This is BS1. And if you don't know what a BS1, that is it's confirmed on the higher time frame. Right here, it's explained with the key. There's a key to it. Just go down to the bottom thing. I was really pissed at one of you guys for not looking at that. Just look at the key. It explains it. But right there, Russell called this out for us. We went over. I pulled it up. We put up, well, I didn't, but you could have put a buy stop in right here. Bingo, boppo, bango, from right here to here. You'd have made 30 pips. Japan 225 is my new best friend. Look at it. Oh, but it's going down now. I don't give a fuck. You made 20 to 30 pips on this trade. Be grateful to God. Be grateful to Russell. Be grateful to Keith. Be grateful to Bri. I'm telling you right now, Russell called this trade out based on $50 a month scanner, and you would have made 30 pips. You know how much you could have made on 30 pips? $300, $3,000, $30,000, $300,000. If you'd had 100 1.0 lots open, you could have been making $300,000 on that trade. Just saying. Why don't you do it? Because I have what's called trading trauma. I've lost for 5.5 years, and I'm thrilled when I make 1,000 here, 30,000 there. I'm totally thrilled. I am not in the mindset yet to be, even though I've won nearly all trades. Well, hell, daily, all trades ever traded with you, but nearly all trades ever traded with you for the last year documented. I still just am very, 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 very trading trauma. I lost for 5.5 years. So even though I know my system's 100%, it's still psychology. That's what it comes down to. So I'll make 500 here, 5,000 there. Every once in a while, I'll pull off a 20, 30,000 or I'm more than happy with that money. I have students, Jay Cochran to be specific, who's made over $200,000 in a trade. So yes, Jay would take a trade like this and make $200,000. Absolutely. Oh, but it went down again. It went down the next minute or two. So the fuck what? It went up exactly as called. That's all that matters to you. Nothing else matters. Thank you, Russ, about that again. Yep, absolutely. I hope you took your money out and ran because there's no sense of staying in it. Okay, now be fully prepared. Fully prepared. Let me see something on US 30. Okay, we're getting a nice little pullback here on the 5 minute. Let this come down a little bit more, and we're going to do another buy stop. 5 minute buy stop, US 30. Can't call it. All right, just stick with 1 minute buy stops, all three indices. 30 minute sell stops, all 3 minute indices. 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute buys, 30 minute sells, all three indices. Am I clear? I hope so. I'm going to get to you. Bye, bye, bye. Be prepared for the 30-minute sells, either at 9:30 or more likely around 10:02, 10:05. Be prepared. Brexit. Yoda Man. Thank you, God. Absolutely. Thank God. Absolutely, Yoda Man. Yes, Kevin, 100%. Thank you. Thank God. Absolutely. I've been loving this. Yep. I'm in the money, Russell. Nice. Kevin Watson. Good morning, Kev. Trading trauma is hard to get over. I take my 3 to 5 pips and run, says Troy. Yep. Took the money and ran. Yep. That's all you got to do. If you make 10 pips on a trade, I mean, you might as well call yourself a professional trader because that's all they make in a day of trading. So they're looking for fractions of a pip. They're looking to make money like 1 or 2 pips to get the fuck out. Maybe not even that sometimes. They might trade 100 lots and try to get less than a pip and get out. That's not trading, to be honest with you. That's called gambling. That's why even professional traders are only right 64% of the time. That's all. Anybody new here? Anybody new to the channels? Anybody new on TikTok? Anybody new on YouTube? Anybody that's new that has not bought the system? Anybody new? Oh, gonna be with you. SDJ. I remember you, SDG. You've been here before, but you haven't bought the system. SDG. Good morning, Kim the Candle Envy Lady. Good morning, Kim. All right, so just SDJ. No one else new on YouTube. So I'm just going to go over the trading and how simple it is again for her. I'm going to give them just a few more seconds on YouTube. Anyone on YouTube have anyone check out YouTube that's new that hasn't bought the system yet? Anyone on YouTube that's new that hasn't bought the system yet? We're going to get with you. Bye, bye, bye. 1 minute buy stop, all 3 indices. Bach break. SPX. No Bach break yet on NAS. Bach break, US 30. Let me see 5 minute. Ooh, I want to say a 5 minute entry. 5 minute buy stop entry. Do it. Bye. I'm going to open up some here. I'm going to open some of my other accounts here. We're going to get with you. Bye. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. I'm going to get with you. Bye. Damn, I can't do it off the fucking NAS. Bye. SPX, what the hell? All right, we have a broken Bach against a non-Bach break. Don't forget for 1 second, as they call out these 1 minute, 5 minute buy stops, which were called out 8 p.m. yesterday evening. You're reaping the rewards of this. As you see these being called out, don't forget for 1 second, there is a 30-minute sell stop to NAS's blue line. How do we know where it's going? Because we were going to play every 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line of NAS. If you don't know what the 4 hour blue line of NAS is, if you don't know what these little things are, by the system, it's very simple. You can clearly see the only ones in the higher time frame that is green is the NAS 4 hour blue line, which means price hasn't gone down below its 4 hour blue line yet. We've made 250 pips off of NAS yesterday from this. It hasn't done it yet today. It might not do it yet today. I don't know. But we are in some buys we're still holding, and there's another one forming as you speak. Bye. I'm going to get to you. Bye. I'm going to get with you. Bye. All right. Gold. What's gold doing in them dar hills? Gold. What are you doing? Gold. Let's take a look at gold. I like looking at gold. I like gold. Yesterday was so nice. I was trading 10 full lots. Gold. One minute, 5 minute buy stop gold. Looks scarily familiar. 30 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour sell stop gold. 1 hour sell stop gold. 1 hour sell stop gold. Enter in off the 1 hour either yellow line or right above that, okay? We're going to get with you. Bye. Bye. We're going to get with you. Bye. Who's gonna get with you? Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 Barbarin, ba 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 Barbarin, Barbarin was my friend, was my friend, Barbarin, ba 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 Barbarin. Does everyone remember that song or not? Probably not. All right, cool. We have 10 minutes to market open. My alarm's about to go off. No one play the market open unless you know what you're doing. Please don't play the market open. Number 2, if you're going to play the market open, make sure you lock in profit. Number 3, if you're going to play the market open and lock in profit, then go ahead and make sure you move fast and furiously. Fastly and furiously? Fast and furious, whatever. You to move fast because you have to keep up. I'm not a financial advisor. Never claim to be, never want to be, never pretend to be. All this I'm teaching you is 100% fucking bullshit. Don't listen to the word I'm teaching you. Don't believe a word I'm saying. None of this is accurate. This is for my own fun, period. If you're following me, you're an idiot and you're crazy. Don't do it. But if you happen to follow me and make a little demo money or make some real money, well, you know, that's a good thing. There's my alarm for 10 minutes. Now, is anything you're seeing on my screen real? Nope. Well, but I see the candles, Kevin. Kevin, these are the candles. You can't say these aren't candles. This is really candles. See, Kevin? There's candle patterns. Kevin, there's evening star and morning stars. Yeah, this is an evening star. But if you go over to here, let's look over here. What do we see? Oh, we don't see candles. What do we see? We see lines. So how is that an evening star or a morning star when you can't even see it? So the candles are bullshit. But then the lines are real. The lines are real. I'm going to go ahead and say, nope, they're not. You can go over here and you can do what's called a bar chart. And you can make it into bars. Yep. You can come over here. You can come back down to there and you can make it into dashes. You can make it into Heineken candles. You can do regular candlesticks. In other words, it's all bullshit. Nothing you're looking at in my chart is real. It's all fake. See, we're back to lines again. Well, what else? Well, the price is real. The price is real, Kevin. The price is real. Well, yeah, but they put the number 33,000 on here for US 30. Why didn't they put the number 33,000 on that? Well, because they're different instruments. They are. Is that right? Then why do we trade them as one? Why do we have a scanner that works perfectly and my trades work perfectly? How is this possible that they're all trade as one if they're all different? Oh, they wouldn't scam us like that, Kevin. They wouldn't teach us the wrong things, Kevin. They would teach us their support and resistance. Really? Then what's a breakout? Well, Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracement, that's real. That's real. No, Fibonacci and Fibonacci isn't real because that comes from patterns that they found on shells and flowers, which is very pretty patterns. But what does anything in nature have to do with financial? So they're scamming you with Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracements. Well, volume and VWAP work until they don't. No, they don't. They fail 99% of the time. But Kevin, that's real. Something's real. Nope. Even my safety trace system, green, red with a broken box. These are just made up little pixels. There's nothing real about it. Not real. Nope. Well, it's as real as Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. None of that. None of that's real. None of it's real. By the way, evidently my 1 hour buy stop to the blue line worked out pretty good on that, and to the 4 hour blue line. Yeah. Sell stop, by the way, daily, weekly sell stop, monthly buy. So yeah, none of this is real. So you guys just have fun while we can, make money while we can, learn the damn system, understand what you're seeing in front of you isn't real, but you can still use it. Doesn't mean we all can't make money on it. 5-minute buy stop. US 30 for real. 5-minute buy stop. As real as I can make it. I'm still calling it. 5-minute buy stop SPX. 5-minute buy stop NAS. If you don't want to play these buy stops, then go ahead and go up to the 30-minute sell stop. Sell stop SPX 30-minute. Sell stop NAS 100 30-minute. Sell stop US 30, which is gorgeous. US 30 30-minute. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. Or if you rather do the shorter time frames, 5-minute buy stops. The theory I have, we've already completed our 1-minute buys multiple times. So will it go up on the 5-minute? We shall see, shan't we? If you want to be safer about things, I'd probably wait for the 30-minute sell, is what I would do. But we can get this up. We can have this 4-hour arch all the way back. I'd like to see it. I'd like to see this mofo rise all the way back up to that blue line, and I'd really like to see it on NAS. I'd like it to come up all the way here. So there you go. You can play your 5-minute buys, or you can play your 30-minute sells. Which is it? Which is it? Well, we all have rules. The 1 minutes have already completed their rules. A 5-minute buy stop has completed itself. Once these are completed, then you look for the next higher, the next higher. I'd be very leery of entering in a 30-minute sell right now, unless you put it below this yellow right here, which we should do actually. Normally I like to put it on it, but it hasn't risen up high enough yet for me to get comfortable with that. So we'll put that right there. Can't do anything about it's not high enough. There you go. Yeah, perfect. Now, some of you might be entered off of this 1-hour line and you're in the money on the sells already. Some of you have made money already on the US 30 sell. I can't, you grown ass adults, do what you guys want to do. Bye. So I'm going to pull up. Let's go over to US 30 up here. I'm going to pull us 9 NAS down here. We're going to come here with it. 30-minute sell stop might be engaged already on NAS. I don't know. Let me go over here real quick. No. Unless we're trailing. I don't think we're trailing on US 30. Unless you went off of the 1 hour on US 30. Let me go over here and see. No. I wouldn't even be in this trade. Oh, wait. We're bouncing off of it. Never mind. Go back to the 30-minute. I should try the 45, huh? Nope. Not in. And unless these are trailing, you shouldn't be in any 30-minute sell stop unless this is trailing on the time input is trailing. The ends, the signals are trailing. I don't know. It doesn't look like you're entered in any. 3 minutes to market open, but we're all set. We're all set. 5-minute sell stops. 5-minute buy stops. 5-minute buy stops. 30-minute sell stops. You have 3 minutes to market open, a little less than 3 minutes to market open. Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't trade the market open. If you're going to trade it, go ahead and lock in profits. Then you're going to have to move fast. By fast, I mean in and out, much faster than you would if we're normally going to do just like a 30-minute version. Or you can play your 30 minutes and be ready to roll. We're currently looking at, let's go over to here. Currently looking at 1 minute, 5-minute buy stop. All 3 indices. Let me check gold real quick. Hold on. 1 minute, 5-minute buy stops. 5-minute buy stop gold. 30-minute sell stop gold, but you can enter off the 1 hour line. 1 hour sell stop gold. Let me see over here. Hold on. No. 30-minute sell stop US 30. Yeah. 30-minute SPX sell stop. 30-minute. Wow. If this comes true, if those 30 minutes come true, and I called these out 9 hours ago. I'm sorry, 12 hours ago at 8 p.m., 9 p.m. last night, I'm going to laugh my fucking ass off. All right. Now, here we go. 5-minute buy stops. 30-minute sell stops. I've repeated that at least 30 times, and I'm going to guarantee. What's NAS going to do? What's gold going to do? What's SPX going to do? Can you guys please listen to me when I talk? Beach Boys. What's up, Michael Moynihan? Can't say your name, sorry. That motherfucker is not real. Blue line touch US 30. What time period, Pip Hunter? Disclaimer. And this is just one system. What other systems are made up applies to. Yeah, the other systems have no hope. Are you kidding me? You give me whatever. Is there a reason why no one else has ever come on my lives with me to try to debunk this? In over a year and a half, not one other trader has come on here to try to debunk me, because there's nothing to debunk. These are non-repaintable indicators. If you trade a while, you know what repaintable indicators are. Oh, market open, market open, market open, market open. Be ready. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What are we going? What are we doing? What do we got? Let's see gold and them our hills. Let's see gold and them. Let's see US 30 and them our hills. Let's see sun. Well, let's see NAS. Let's see SPX and them our hills. Okay. Da 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 da. Nope. You guys trade that any which way you do. I'm not taking it. Okay, here we go. You're in the money on the 5-minute buy stop on US 30. Take the money out. You're in the money on the buy stop NAS 500 5-minute. Take the money and get out. You're in the money on SPX. Take the money and get out. These aren't trades to hold. If you're in the money right now, up 30 pips, get the fuck out of the trade. If you're in the money, 30 pips, get out of the trade. If you're in the money, 30 pips, get out of the trade. Am I clear? Take the money on NAS and get out of the trade. Am I clear? You made money on the NAS buy stop. Get out of the trade. SPX in the money. Get out of the trade. US 30. You were in the money. You could have got out of the trade. If not, whatever you're going to do. 5-minute buy stop, US 30 again. And you should already be up and out of the trade 20 to 30 pips already. If it engages you again, take it. If not, don't. You're in the money on NAS buy stop. Take the fucking money and run. You're in the money on the NAS buy stop. If you opened up more than one, sure. Close one down, keep the others open. I don't care. But don't be a greedy pig. Take your money and run on SPX. Take your money and run. Take your money and run, honey. Take your money and run. Where's Metal Mind at? Metal Mind, are you here? NAS 100 in the money. What's gold doing? Buy. Buy 5-minute gold. Sell 1 hour gold. Ooh, that's looking mighty sweet. Boom, baby. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. Who's in the money now? Who's in the money? All right. US 30, 5-minute buy. US 30, 30-minute sell. NAS, 5-minute buy. Boy, I better be looking over to my left, seeing thank you, God, on TikTok, on YouTube, and I better see it in a minute. Because look at that NAS. Look at that go. Look at that butt. Look at that. Okay, are you guys looking at this? Are you looking at this? Bye. We're going to get to you. Now, wait if you haven't entered the trade for the 30-minute sell stops to engage. Somewhere around 9:45 to 10:15, look for the 30-minute sell stops to engage. Somewhere between, I know I'm hitting that, you guys are probably mad at me. Between 9:45 and 10:15, it's going to engage. We'll see. Thank you, God. Thank you, Steve. Nope, don't see it. Okay, I'm going to go off of TikTok. Anybody on TikTok want to say thank you before I close it off? Because otherwise I'm closing it down. I better see some thank you to God's on there or I'm closing it off. Let's go over to YouTube. Broken Bach coming in NAS 1 minute. Broken Bach, you just say disclaimer. Yep, every fucking day I do a disclaimer because I'm not a fucking financialist. I never want to be. I want no part of this shit. You guys are all grown motherfuckers here. Do your own stuff. There's other systems, right? I know. I don't know what the fuck he's talking about. Let's go to the moon, says Sandro. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. God is great. Yep. Grabbed a few pips on NAS. Thank you, Bri, Kevin. Nice. Nice, Jason. There you go. Buy stop NAS in the money. Buy stop SPX in the money. Gee, you made money again on US 30. You should be out of the trade unless you're greedy. You just made another 30 pips, so you're in the money twice on US 30. 5-minute buy stop on gold, 30-minute sell stop, depending on how you want to look at it. Don't forget which one forms first. Let's see what's happening over here. Let this go up and up and up a little bit. Thank God. Thank you, Rob Gruthius. Erica speaking up. Arlene. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Thank you, God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God. Thank you, Kev and God. McMahon. Joe Bigga. Earned $200 in 1 minute. Absolutely, Kobe. Thank you, God. All right. Well, I'll stay on TikTok then because I'm not screwing around. You guys better be grateful. Ain't no way I'm smart enough to create this system on my own. If you don't give God credit, I don't know what to tell you. All right. Let's see how NAS is doing. Oh, yeah. You are in so much money on NAS, whether you got in where I did or not. You're up 70 pips. Please close at least one of your trades down. Please close one of your trades down. On SPX also, all you beginners should already be out of that trade anyways. Now, don't forget for 1 second, we still have 30-minute sell stops. So I would really look hard in the next 23 minutes for a sell stop on SPX, for a sell stop on NAS. But hold on, I might have to go to the hour. Now, we can still look at that. Pull these up. Match what it's doing. I told you I wanted to go up here. Are you looking? Beautiful. NAS is just perfection personified. NAS is perfection personified. Oh, hell, tradified. I want to get to you. Bye, bye, bye. Look at this. Sell stop to the blue line. 5-minute buy stop. US 30. You're going to make money on it the third time. NAS, you're either in the trade or you're not. You're either in a shit ton of money or not. SPX, you're either in a shit ton of money or not on those buy stops. In the same breath. Yep, 30-minute sells. Just wait. Just wait. I'm going to get to you. Bye, bye, bye. Let me see. Make money going up. Make money coming back down again. Good. Now, entering off of that damn 1 hour for NAS 100. NAS 100, sell stop, 1 hour off of the yellow line. But if it keep rising up, I'm going to the blue, baby. I'm going to be going up here. I mean, red. I'm going to go to the red line. There she blows. There she blows. There she blows. Where she blows? There she blows. Bye, bye, bye. You're in the money again on the US 30, but you can just wait. Don't play the buys if you don't like them. I don't give a rat's ass. Bye, bye, bye. You're going to get to me. 30-minute sell stop. Gold. 1 hour sell stop. Really, it's a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop gold. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait, 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 wait. Da, 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 da. Just wait. Just wait, just wait, just wait. Just if you're going to do a buy stop on gold, put it above the yellow line. If you don't know what the yellow line is, buy the sniper system. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait for important date. Da 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 da. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait for an important date. Da 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 da. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait for an important date. Nas again. Let's see. Beautiful. We have touchdown. We have touchdown. That is gorgeous. Blue line hit. Nas 100, 5 minute. Blue line touch. Perfect. You might want to close down some of your trades. SPX. Will SPX be next to its blue line? It will get close enough. Yeah. SPX to the blue line will be next. Let's go over to US 30. Let's just wait and wait and wait. Buy stop in the money. US 30. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Who's off to work we go. Who's making money all day long and all morning too for you guys. I can't sing a song. I wish Metal Mind was here. I really want to take that one song into a rock song. There you go. So you're in the money again. NAS, you're in the money again. Let me see. SPX. Let me see NAS. Beautiful. That is picture perfect, gorgeous. I don't think you can see a prettier thing. Boom. Boom. Buy stop. Boom. To the blue line. Bingo boppo on the 5 minute. Perfections. You're in the money. Who's in the money? Naz is in the money. Honey. Look at that. There she blows. Buy stop. Should have been on the yellow, but that's all right. Doop. There she blows. Up she goes. In the money. Take your money. Take it and run. Take it and run, 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 run. Run, 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 chameleon. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. SPX? Not yet. You'd have made money on the SPX buy stop, though, if you'd have taken it on the 5 minute like we called out. Let's see, US 30. Still on the money on the buy stop of US 30, but if you want to do a sell, feel free. You don't have to stay there. No one's forcing you. Gold. Again, we made money on this buy stop once, 30 pips. Twice, 30 pips. 3 times, 30 pips. But it keeps going back down, Kev. Dudes, if you're trying to make runners out of a 1 minute, 5 minute trade, you're in the wrong system, bros. Bros. Gold. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is looking very promising right here. Gold. 1 hour sell stop is in the money, whether you place it off the red, whether you place it off the middle, whether you place it off the yellow. The sell stop in gold is now in the money. You're in the money on gold sell stop. You could take that money out and run. It's called take that money and run, honey. All right. I feel very comfortable with that. Let me see what ERUSD is doing too. I'm sorry. I never called out all the other symbols this morning. It's my fault. ERUSD, 1 minute. 5 minute buy stop. ERUSD. It's got to be forming a 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Beautiful. To the 4 hour blue line, if I'm not mistaken with these suckers. Is it not? Hold on. No, I am mistaken. Is it the daily line? No. Weekly? Hold on. No. Okay. Interesting. Well, it had to be monthly then. Oh, it is. Oh, holy shit. Did we hit this yesterday? Remember when I was calling out sell stop to the blue line since January 1st, February 1st, all the way down? So there it is. Wow, that's gorgeous. Did we hit the blue line? No. Did we come close enough? Yes. Would you have made around 600-700 pips on this sell? Yep. And this is a monthly sell to the blue line or below. I still think it's most likely, almost certainly going to go below that. That's ERUSD. Oh, nice call, Kev. Yeah, thank you. Da 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 da. Now, have we gone up high enough to worry about the sells kicking in? Yep. I'd start looking for sell stops. 30 minute. Actually, over the next 30 minutes, I'd be looking for a 30-minute sell on US 30 gold, NAS, and SPX. You can stay in your buys for as long as they keep running. I'm not saying not to. I'm in some right now. But I am telling you that you can look for the other thing to happen. Whether it does or not is between God and you and whatever. I don't know. Yep, but that is gorgeous. So if you got some sells in place, take them. All right. I'm going to come over and look at comments now. Good morning, Comster. Thank you, Jesus BH8. Thank you for speaking up, Munamar and BH8 and Erica and McMahon and Joe Biga and Kobe. There you go, P2. All right, what do we got over here? Thank you, Crystal Ball, for speaking up. Rob Groot, Clean Eat Junk, Matt Parker, NASA Blue Line. Yep. Jason Westberg, 5 minute. Pablo Spont, 78. Good morning, Pablo. NAS touches 5 minute blue line. Nice. Scanner just called buy stop 5 minute gold. Nice. I'll go check it out. Thank you, God, Kevin. Thank you, Cliffy. All right. As a matter of fact, I got to contact Andre the Giant programmer. Da-da, 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 da-da. What do they call out? Gold. Oh, let's take a look. Buy stop. Yep, a normal one, but still very, very good. Da-da-da, da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da. Five-minute NAS to the blue line. SPX. 5 minute buy stop. US 30. For like the 50 millionth time, 5 minute buy stop, or just wait and you're in the money on this 30 minute 1 hour sell. So if you wanted to do this sell, you're in the money on that. Take the money out on the sell, or you can keep it rolling. Yes, I have a sell stop open with that. I sure do. I have multiple sells open. And I have a gold sell open too, by the way. These are my sells on US 30 right there. Boop, boop. I'll probably close a couple of those down and leave one open. But here comes your sell on US 30. Take that money and run. Take that money and run, honey. Yes, you should be in it. And yes, you can be in it. You can be in it off the 30 minute like I showed you. Either off the yellow or above. You can caught it off the red, which I was screaming at, or in between, or the yellow line. Either way, any way you slice it, you're up about 20 to 30 pips on this trade. Right here to here. Even if you did the yellow line, would be here to here. You're up 30, 40 pips. Even if you caught half of that, you're up 20 pips. And there it is. Take the money and run. Okay. I said anywhere from 9:45 to 10:15. Look for the 30-minute sell stops to engage. And clearly you see that you've made money and are making money with US 30. Thank you, God. Thank you, system. Yep. Oh, but NAS is still NAS is a 1 hour sell stop. Put it in right below here and wait. Let NAS keep going up to the fucking moon. We'll keep making money. In the meantime, eventually, whether it's in 15 to 20 minutes, which probably it will be, we'll see. Has SPX gone up and touched its 5 minute blue line? No, not yet. 5 minute buy stop, SPX to its blue line. 30 minute sell stop, SPX. You're not engaged in it yet. All right. What do we got? Beautiful. To the blue line for the 5 minute. Either you're in this buy on NAS or you're not. I happen to be in one. I believe it's one. Nothing you can do about it for US 30 now. Be careful with that US 30 sell. There still is very much a 5 minute buy stop US 30 to be completed. But again, you can make money 20, 30, 40 pips on that little movement down. Sure as hell you can. SPX, 5 minute buy stop. 5 minute buy stop to the blue line SPX. 5 minute buy stop US 30. You're either in the NAS or you're not. Now, if you'd rather not do any of those, then you can just go right over to the higher time frames and wait for the 30 minutes. You're absolutely in the money on this 30-minute sell stop on gold. Let's zoom in a little bit and show you. This is gold right here. This is gold right here. Da 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 da. So remember what I'm telling you. 5 minute buy stop US 30. 5 minute buy stop SPX. If you don't want to play those 5 minute buy stops, then look for US 30, NAS, and SPX 1 hour sell stops. Let's take a closer look. Let's dive deep into this gold right here. We're going to go over to our trading view. We're going to open up gold. We're going to come over to here. And we're going to go over to here. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Let's see how much money we're making today. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. We're in the money, hooray. We're in the money today. We're in the money, hooray. There we go. This must be a 4 hour. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go over this in just 1 second, how I was able to call this out accurately again, and how you guys are all in the money. Who's in the money? I'm in the money. Tra la 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 la. I don't like the way that looks. We're going to go back to the old one right here. Why does gold look like it's lagging to me over there? See, that pisses me off. Here we go. All right, we're going to put gold top to bottom. Look how much fun this is. This is a blast. There we go. Could have entered it off either line. I kept telling you 1 hour. You're in the money on the gold 30-minute or 1 hour sell stop to the blue line, to the 4 hour line. That's where it's going to. Okay. All right. Where we at? Morning. Everybody on TikTok, YouTube today. Good morning, boss. Just thought I would let you know today was big money day. Thank you for this main system. Awesome, Jay. Good morning, Kev. Good morning, Gavin Greer. Jason Westberg, US 35-minute buy. Bob Wooten, thank you, Kevin. One person says thank you. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Jay, for saying thank you. I'm sure God appreciates it. All right, this is how we made the money and how we're making the money on gold right now. Literally easy peasy. You couldn't ask for an easier trade. I mean, gold was just amazingly easy. I only have a small little golds going right here. Just these two cells. They're very small. I should have opened up my larger ones. I'd have had fucking thousands of dollars this morning. It's a smaller account, though. These are my two trades going in gold right now. What you're looking at with gold was very simple. I don't know if any of the new ones still are here, but what we have on gold right now is you have a 4 hour candle chart right here. And you can see clearly that on the bottom here on our sniper, it's straight flat. Okay. And then what you're going to look at up here on the 30-minute. Let me get this right here. And I think we even go to the 1 hour actually. Yeah, there you go. You can see the 1 hour easier. You can see number 2. The 1 hour went up. Boop, boop. Right? 3 did the pink line on this sniper system, which is $150 a month extra. Arch up, it did. 4, did we have a sell stop? And this is where, this is a fill in the gap sell stop. This is where you couldn't have took the trade without the sniper, but if you'd have went back down to the 30-minute time frame, there is a sell stop right here. You can clearly see that. Red, 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 green. Boop. There she blows. Okay. So that's how this trade played out. Extremely straightforward and easy. That's all you needed to know. That's all you do. All you needed really is 1 and 2. But it was nice to have the confirmations of the 3 and 4. Put it either on, which I was trading mine off the 1 hour I told you. So I entered in off the yellow line right here. Boop. And you would have made a shit ton. I bet you Kim Harrington made a shit ton of money on that trade. All right. And that is our gold. Now, let's go up here to our US 30. US 30 is a 1 minute, 1 minute sell again. 5-minute buy stop. 30-minute sell, which you're in the money. I can't stress this enough. I don't think you guys understand. When this price, either you caught it here and you made 100 pips, you caught it in the middle and you made 50, 60 pips, you caught it on the yellow and you made 30, 40 pips. If it goes up and fulfills, which I think it will, the 5-minute buy stop, you can't complain about anything if you made money on that 30-minute sell already. It's as simple as that. So take that money and run. It is still a 5-minute buy. Every bit of a, there we go. Every bit of a 5-minute buy. And if you entered in off the yellow, red line on the 5-minute buy, you're up, I don't know, 15, 20 pips. If you entered in off the yellow, you're only up about 10. So you can either close your trade down or not. Let's see what NAS is doing. NAS is still hitting its blue line. Did SPX can go up and touch? No, but it's in the money again on the 5-minute buy on SPX. Again, you should close it down. If you're up 1, 2, 3 pips on SPX, close it down. But 5-minute buy stop, SPX to its blue line. NAS is too late. You can't do anything about it. US 30, 5-minute buy stop. If you don't want to play these buy stops, just swing over here and get into that 30-minute sell stop while you still have time. What time is it? 4 minutes. Did I have a timer for that? I thought I had a timer for that. Hold on. I thought I had a timer. I thought I do. There it is. I didn't set it for every day, though. There we go. Save. Okay, so now we have it set. So now we'll know right before the time period. All right. Let's see what the next 7 minutes bring us. It might bring us some gold in them dar hills. Gold. Do not forget, later today at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, they're going to do some kind of test. The national government. This is my PSA to you. The national government is going to do some kind of test to your phone and your computer. All right. So they're going to do a 30-minute test to your phone. Now, 1 minute I get. 30-minute, I don't know what the hell they're doing. But it is kind of odd that it's going to be a 30-minute test. See, I'm just thinking that, well, gee, can you use your computers for those 30 minutes? I don't think so. Maybe the TVs, I don't know. Phones, probably not. Seems really odd to me that it's that long of a test, but whatever. Just a heads up. And that's also happening in Canada, I was confirmed, and I think also happening in Russia. Not 100% on the Russia. All right. So let's keep on keeping on, guys. Look at this. Again, that 30-minute sell is delicious. Superficious. 5-minute buy SPX. The 5-minute NAS has produced so much money, you can't do anything about it. You might want to close those down. If you have more than one trade open, close one, at least one down, and keep the other ones open. Sell stop 30-minute US 30. Sell stop NAS 1 hour. Sell stop SPX 1 hour. Let's check out gold. Gold is gold. You made so much fucking money on gold, it's a joke. That's all I can tell you. You literally rolled gold down from 1824. $7 an ounce you made on gold. Woo! Thing of beauty. All because of the simple system. 1, 2, boop, boop. There you go. Take your money. That's it. We're hanging out for the next, let's see. What time we got here? Let's see what happens over the next several minutes, next 3 to 5 minutes. And then we'll make a move later on, I guess, if we need to. Zero says, what's up, Kev? Zero says it ain't good, whatever it is. I agree. Yesterday. Kobe said Russia was yesterday. I believe it was yesterday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's Central Time, OG. Ken Levy, thank you, God. Yep, absolutely. It's Central Time, 1:30. Should we shut off our phones? That's up to you. I know my phone's going to be wrapped in tinfoil inside a microwave. I'm not going to listen to that shit. My understanding is that the process takes 30 minutes. Individual testing for each device is not going to last for that entire time, but I know very. Oh, Jason L., I hope you're right. Because if they keep us going for 30 minutes on everybody's phones, there's no way that process takes 30 minutes, by the way. It never has in the past. Just saying. Sell stop, 1 minute. Buy stop, 5 minute. You've already made so much money on your 30-minute, 1 hour entries. This is a joke. 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop, US 30. Okay. There you go. This is US 30 we're watching. Let me see NAS real quick. NAS, 1 minute buy stop to the, no, I'm sorry. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line, NAS. That's the SPX. Or you can just wait for these 30-minute sell stops to engage. Either or. No foul, no harm. Gold is done. You either made money on this gold sell or you didn't. There's nothing you can do with gold. Let me check ER USD. I'm not calling anything else on gold. I'm not. ER USD. 1 minute sell. EUR USD. 5 minute, 15-minute buy. 15-minute buy, EUR USD. 30-minute, 1 hour. 1 hour sell stop, EUR USD. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, EUR USD. Or if you don't like to play the 1 hours, then do a 5 minute buy. I would be leery of that at this time of day, but you never know. You guys do what you want to do. You want to be in the money. There's US 30 sell stop in the money. Went up, touched, and came back down, and gave you another opportunity to make this money from here to here. You'd be up another 73 pips if you took that sell. Let's watch it. And let's be in stunned amazement how this call that you're now in the money on, and you made money all the way up on this morning, was called out 12, 13. It was called out at 8, 9 o'clock last night. 1 minute buy stops to the blue line, creating 15-minute, 30-minute. I kept saying 30-minute sell stops to the NAS 4-hour blue line. You're in the money on the US 30 sell. Look at it. This is it happening live. I called these trade out 8 p.m., 9 p.m. last night. Who here remembers that? Oh, Keith Palmer. What's up, Keith? Love hearing that people are making money with this system. When you follow the rules, it's your own personally. It is, Keith. Good morning, Keith. The man, the myth, the legend. Thanks for the scanner. We have been killing it this morning. I know, right, Russell Brown? You've been kicking it. Kicking it, Russell. Thank you so much. I hope so. Can you imagine how annoying that would be for everyone's device that's lurked for 30 minutes? That would be, if they do everyone's device for 30 minutes, boy, I hope everyone writes their congressman on that. Yep. Who remembers? This is what I called out last night. Every one of you on TikTok, every one of you on YouTube need to buy the system. I called it out to the minute this morning. I said anywhere from 9:45 to 10:15. Look for that US 30 drop to fall. It is now 10:03. That 10 o'clock candle is where they love to switch things around to do the reversals. And there it is. And there it is. Oh, it only has gone down. Listen, this is all here. Kev, but it only went down 80 pips. Fuck you. Oh, but Kev, it only went down 112 pips if you took it off the red line, took it off the middle. Kevin only went down 80. I don't give a fuck. If this turns around and goes completely up the other direction, I don't give a fuck. You're up over 100 pips. I called this shit out because of the system. Every one of you should learn how to read the system this good. There it is. There's your money. Not only did we make money on US 30, we made money on gold, huge money on gold this morning. Look at it. Right? Did we or did we not? ARUSD, it's going to be a little slower moving today because it's just what it does. Oh, gee, I wonder what this could be. I wonder what this could be. I wonder what's happening now. Could this be you're in the money on NAS? Could this be you're on the money on SPX? Not NAS, SPX. You're in the money on SPX? Yes, you are. Does that give you time, hint, hint, to do a sell stop on NAS, hint, hint? Does it give you time to do a sell stop on NAS 1 hour that you should already be in, hint, hint? That I told you I wanted it to go up to the red line earlier this morning at 7 a.m. when I didn't even want to fucking be here? Yes? Woo! Look at it. Sell stop in the money NAS called 12 hours ago. Sell stop in the money SPX called 12 hours ago. In the money 14 hours ago. I don't even know what the fuck it's been. It's been forever. In the money on US 30 called 12 hours ago. What did I call? Wrote it out. Drew it out. Told you. There it is. 1 minute buy stops. 15. You want me to put down 30-minute sell stops at 10 a.m. in the morning next time to the NAS blue line, 4-hour blue line? How much more specific can I get? How much more specific can I get? I don't know. But this is absolutely insane. I'm calling trades correctly with 100% accuracy, all because of God and this system. Period. There it is. Did I not do it? Did I not do that? Hello? I'm just saying, come on. Buy the system for your loved ones. Buy the system for yourself. Buy the system for someone you know, love, and care about. Buy the system for somebody, nieces and nephews. Buy, lots of people do that. Azar's done that. Ken has bought it for his brothers and his nephew. Tons of people. David bought it for his family. Go over to thesafetytrade.com and buy the system. Who else is with you trading 2 to 3 to 4 hours every day? Who else? Who else calls these trades out before they happen? These trades written out in a live YouTube video that is not editable. In the money, says Zira. Congratulations. I know you need it, Zira. Thank God you got that. You're good, Kevin, says James Bond. I'm good? Well, thanks. System's outstanding. Let's be truthful. Ric Flair drip, baby. There you go. You did it. Called them all, says Russell. Yes, sir, says Bob. Yes, you did, says Tenny. No one, coach. No one. Yeah, there you go. Can I help it if you guys can't enter a trade correctly? No. What am I supposed to fucking do? I've given you everything I possibly can and then some, and I'm still giving you. I'm still trying to figure out how to help you. But look, these trades were called by me, and on the scanner that the great, outstandingly great myth and legend, Keith Palmer, programmed this scanner for $50 a month for you. Look, there it is. NAS, 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. SPX, 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. US 30, 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. There they are. There they are. There they are. Look at it. Oh, but I didn't know, and I don't know. Dudes, if you've never traded before, my system is made for beginners. It's literally made for people that don't know how to trade because they have an open mind. Their mind isn't filled with shit anymore. They don't have stupid, useless crap. They actually have the open mind where they can learn something new and not be like, whatever about it. Just amazing. All right, everybody on TikTok. I don't know what to say to you. Hopefully you're saying thank you to God, though, that I was blessed to develop the system, that I shared it with you all, and that we're here making money. I really hope you are saying that and doing that. I don't mean that lightheartedly. I mean that truly. I really, really do. I would take the money and I would run. There's no need to stay in any of these trades any longer than you have to. Look at how much money you're in. Look at this. We can't call gold. Gold is done. You've either made this sell today or you didn't. It's that simple. Either you made the proper sell like I called out for you right here, 15 minute, 30 minute. Let me go over the trade. This is gold 15 minute. This is gold 30 minute. Okay. Right here. Now what are we looking at? Number one. The 30-minute line. Oh, nope, we're going to have to go up to the 1 hour. I'm so sorry. And nope, we're going to have to go up to the 4 hour line. Number one, 4 hour line is flat. Number two, the 1 hour line is arched up. Number three, the pink line arched up with it. Number four, there's a sell stop. But see, you guys don't know what a fill in the gap sell stop is right here. So I'll show you what it looks like on a lower time frame. So the 30-minute is a sell stop. If you guys want to get really cool about it, not only is a 30-minute sell stop, but you have a 15-minute sell stop Bach break against a 30-minute non-Bach break right here, which is the equivalent. And there's a 30-minute, 15-minute, not that. When there's a Bach break versus a non-Bach break, there's 1,000 trade confirmations, meaning there's literally 1,000 different indicators saying this is going to go down. And when it does, it did. And there it is. There's your entrance. I happen to enter it off the 1 hour yellow line right there, and you're in the money. Doesn't get any easier than that. Doesn't get any better than that. I don't know how else to help you guys. That's the trade. That's the easiest trade on earth. Please print this picture out. This is a 1 hour, 4 hour, but you can do a 30-minute, 4 hour, or 30-minute, 1 hour too for this. They're all the same. And there's your trade. US 30. Let's take a look. US 30 was a 30-minute, and then US 30 down here is a 1 hour. 1 hour flat line. 2, the blue line arched up. 3, the pink line arched up. 4, there is a sell stop. Now, if you wanted to go from here down to the 15-minute, you would see a Bach break on the 15-minute versus a 30-minute non-Bach break. But either way, there's still a green little thing right here. This is a sell stop. And you'll see this going down. And that's your trade. NAS, 1 minute sell stop, NAS. I don't care if it's going back up again. Let me show you SPX. SPX. See, look, if you didn't take out the SPX trade, you're getting burnt because it's going back up against you again. So look, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Doesn't matter. It's going to arch up, hook, and come back down again. Let's go over to NAS. NAS, same thing. Arching, hooking. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the blue line NAS. But am I going to take that trade? Hell fucking no, I'm not taking that trade. Bullshit. I'm going to come right over to here. 1 hour, 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop, NAS. So let's pull up NAS over here and show you the exact same thing. 30-minute. You have the one hour right here, flat line. 2, the blue line arched up. 3, the pink line came up. 4, it's here. Now, because there is a 1 minute buy stop, I would not touch this for 1 second. I wouldn't do this 1 minute, 5 minutes to the blue line. If you paid me $1 million, I'm not taking this trade. Why? Because it's already done it once. It's going to ricochet off and do it twice. But later today, it's going to. This is what it's going to do. Let me show you specifically. Starts down here, logo comes up, comes over here. It's going to hook up like this, come over to here, and then later this afternoon, it's going to hook and come down. That's what it's going to do. So that's all. It's going to hook right back up, go up to here. Does that mean it's not going to? I don't give a fuck. I have 2 or 1 still open. I think I have 1 buy stop still open, but I'm not going to trade it. I'm not going into the trade. If I'm already in the trade, I'll keep it open. I don't care. Gold. I'm not going to trade this. We're good. Gold is what it is. If you did not take that 30-minute, 1-hour sell stop like I kept screaming to do this morning, I can't help you. I'm done with it. So I'm done with that trade. We're all golden. I hope you guys understood that. We made perfect call outs all morning long. I literally called this shit out 12 hours before it happened, right here. Zoop. Wrote it out, traded it out with you. We traded all morning for the last 3 hours live with you. I'm done, unless there's questions. James, Julie, One Polygot, Zira, Kev, any questions on TikTok? If you have any doubts about the system, go watch Kev's live from last night, then come back and watch this live. He called everything with scary accuracy by the system. Thank you, Jason. God bless you too, Shash. The TradingView setup is awesome. Thank you, Jamie. Yep, unreal. If you don't have system, get it. Thank you for speaking up. Up 7,000. Shash, up $7,000. Standing O for Shash. Shash Baharti. Congratulations, my friend. Swag surfing over here. Yeah, thank you, God. Thank you, Kevin. Nice, Rico. 100. Tanny B, you did 100. No one, coach. No one. Okay. So everybody on TikTok, any questions, concerns, or comments? I've been trading with you live for 3 hours. We made nothing but 100% correct trades. Not only that, but as someone mentioned, these trades were called out over 14 hours ago. 100% accuracy called out 14 hours ago. I don't know about you guys, but that is scary. That is fucking scary, 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 scary. I mean, thank God for the accuracy of the system. Thank you, God, for the accuracy of the system. Thank you, God, for the accuracy of this system. Okay? That's all I can say. That's it. That's all I can say. TikTok, any questions? Azar, yay. Comster, I hope you made money. Azar bought the system for his nephew, interrupted his nephew's life for the rest of his life for the best. He's now given his young 19-year-old nephew a way to make money, Lord willing, if our system's still around, which might be a huge if, for the rest of his life. Thank you, Azar, for doing that. Each and every one of you should buy the system, not to help me out. I'll take the money. Fuck yeah. But to help out someone you know, love, and care about, or maybe a stranger that you want to help out so they can make money. Who says you can't teach a homeless man when we have Billy and we have Kevin who were homeless and took the system and are no longer homeless? Huh? What do you know about that? Billy has his own apartment. Billy has his own computer. Billy has his own internet. Billy used to go into a library after hours because he didn't have a computer, because he didn't have internet. And one of his friends let him in after hours to trade. None of you have that issue. None of you have that excuse. Bullshit. All of you are better off than Kevin and Billy, period. Buy the system. Learn how to trade for yourselves. Unlearn everything you know. You'll get a type form. It'll walk you through what to do. When you buy the system today or tomorrow or whatever, I guess Friday is tomorrow, Saturday even, or even Sunday, you can have everything all set up so you can be making money by Monday evening, because Monday at 1 o'clock is the training session in small group. It's included with your purchase for free. I train you live in either 5, 10, 15 people, 50 people, 100 people, just depends on the week. And I train you. Then I continue to train you live for the rest of your lives, or the rest of my life. Rest of my life. All right. So that's what you get for $575. You don't get the sniper, but I would recommend it. You don't get the scanner. That's $50 a month, $150 a month for the sniper. I would recommend wasting money on those things because, oh my gosh, if you can waste money on stupid Starbucks and stupid Walmart and stupid Target and stupid Amazon, don't even get me started on Amazon. That thing takes more money than shit, right? If we can waste money on all those things, you can afford. I would get the sniper no matter what, $150 a month for the sniper, and then $50 a month for the scanner room. I just would, and that would do what D-Nice does. So buy the system. Any questions before I go on TikTok? Anyone have questions on TikTok? I'm going to go off of TikTok now. YouTube. Yep. All right, YouTube, coming over to YouTube only. YouTube is next. YouTube. YouTubers, do you have any questions? Thank you all on TikTok for being here. Appreciate it. All right. YouTube, any questions on YouTube? Any concerns on YouTube? Any wants or thoughts on YouTube? Oh, sell stop. NAS 100. Sell. NAS. I don't give a fuck what it's doing. You still have time. Sell stop. NAS 100. Sell stop. NAS 100. 30-minute, 1 hour. If you want to play the 5-minute up to the blue line, do it. 1 hour. Sell stop. NAS 100. You have time. You have time to make this trade. Oh, I slept in, this, that. There's no effing excuses. You're in the money on SPX. Too late. You're in huge money on NAS. Too late. You still have time for US 30. You still have time for NAS. You still have time for NAS. You still have time. I'm in so much money on my US 30. I'm so grateful for that trade. Thank you, God. Just fantastic. Utterly fantastic. I'm up $800 on that trade right there. I'm taking that one. Going to keep it running, baby. Look at that. Beautiful trade. Thank you, God, for that. All right. Anyone at all have any questions on, hold on YouTube? Anyone at all? Anyone at all? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Anyone at all? Was that not a fantastic morning or what? Was that not a fantastic morning or what? See, there you go. The same trades that were negative are now positive. We're up $400 on the one and we're up $85 on the other. The $400 is on ERUSD and we're in the money on the US 500 sells. I told you that. I should have went back to that on TikTok. There's your money on your demo options. And one day you can be up $460 or whatever. There it is. We know where it's going to be. And in binary options in Nadex land, it literally is, if you know where it's going to be before it closes, you win. So we know. Matter of factly, holy shit, hold on. I'm going back in. Ho, ho, ho. Hody, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. I'm going back in. I'm going to US Tech. I'm going to weekly. I'm going to go down to here. We're going to open up a 55er. And we ain't opening up just one of those. We're going to open up a few of those. So we're going to open up zippity doo dah, zippity yay. Probably about 50 of those. And we'll see what happens on that one. Boop. Damn, those little fucks already been dropping. Damn, you little fuckers. Might be a little late on that. Nope, we look okay. All right, and that's it. And I'll let you know those play out too. So the ones that you thought were negative this morning are now positive. And the ones that I traded Monday and Tuesday, Monday, made all kinds of money. All right, YouTubers, any questions? Let's see what we got here. You need to buy the system. I'm up 30 pips. I can call my trading day done. Nice, Troy Mitchell. Congratulations, Troy Mitchell. My party, yep, unreal. If you don't have it, buy it. Thank you for speaking up, Matt. Crystal ball, US 35-minute buy stop. Please comment, Crystal ball. I've been commenting on US 30 fucking all morning long, Crystal. Thank you, God. Fantastic, Smart Park. Please recommend broker for TradingView. Don't have one. I barely can get around TradingView myself. I know Tradeovite's on there, and I know Tradeovite's fantastic, but those are futures e-minis. Can go into detail with NAS 100. Absolutely. Just waiting for the next move. Thank you. I wouldn't wait for shit. There's nothing left to do. All the buys happen. Well, the NAS. Can you go into with NAS 100? Go into detail? What do you want me to go into detail about? Here it is. Look. Here it is. 30-minute. We'll go down to NAS over here. 30-minute, 1 hour. Okay? So we have NAS on the bottom, 1 hour. We have NAS on the top. Blue line flat, 2. Blue line arched up, 3. Pink line came up against it, 4. Safety trade right here. Sell stop. in detail, I would enter off this 1 hour right here, and I'd be in the money already off the red line. I told you this morning, if it came up over the red line, to play it off the red line. I remember exactly what I said. If you would have done that trade, you'd already be done with this trade already. You'd already be up 55 pips. If you'd have put your sell stop on the red line like I told you to do at about 7:30 this morning, that's as detailed as I can get. How much more detailed can I get than drawing this out, telling you this out, writing this out? I know you don't mean to be whatever, but that's like ridiculous. This is as detailed as I can get. Take a picture of it, print it out, and you don't need to ask a question again. That is as detailed as I can get. You should have entered this trade off the red line, off the 1 hour, like I told you. You should be playing every 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, like I told you. You can see clearly, look right here. You can see clearly right here. Oh, I don't know. Everything's red except for that. I would play a sell stop. Everything's red except for this. I'd play a sell stop down to the blue lines, whether it's NAS, SPX, US 30, 30-minute sell stop to NAS's 4 hour blue line. That's what I would do. That's as specific as I can get. I'm not calling anything out until this evening. I might come back on this evening. I probably will come back on this evening, though. Those are so easy, and it helps you guys out so much. Again, every one of these trades was called properly and perfectly from last night to right now for the last 14 hours. Every trade for NAS and SPX and US 30 played out, and gold played out perfectly, and ERUSD, by the way, played out perfectly. No, Marcus Mike Jones. It says right when you go read the write-up for the sniper, you get it only from Eagle FX. If you want to put it on MetaTrader 4, it's a separate whole huge step. We have to create these indicators for it. We have to lock them up. It's $5,000 if you want to get it on MetaTrader 4 by itself. Absolutely not. Blackout all of New Zealand. They regulate. They have TradingView. Black Bull out of New Zealand. They're regulated. They have TradingView. Oh, so Black Bull is regulated in New Zealand. That's cool. You're welcome, Aladar. You're welcome, Paul. All right, guys. God bless you all. Everybody have a great rest of your day. Get out there, have some fun. I like that idea. All right. Anyone have any questions or concerns or comments? Let's go. Let's go. We're off to work we go. Da, 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 da. Make sure you enjoy today. Make sure you get out and have a life. Make sure you study. Make sure you rewatch your training videos. Make sure you look at your type forms. Make sure you put in some effort. The more effort you put into this system, the more money you'll get out of it. It's as simple as that. You're welcome, Tanny B. Thank you all for being here. God bless you all, each and every one. Thank you all for watching. There's 96 of you watching, and I've had like 5 thank yous for God. I don't care if you thank me. I prefer if you thank God, and if you thank Bree, and if you thank Keith, and you thank the system, sure. I'm good. I'm here just trying to help you guys out, but there should be a hell of a lot more than 5 or 6 thank yous. Thank you all. Thank all 96 of you watching. God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful, healthy, and happy day. Make some great memories. Enjoy the freak out of today. Enjoy it. All right. God bless y'all. Bye, Maria. Bye, Boost. Finally made it on there. Thank God, 100%. What's up, Boost? Made a lot of money today, my brother. Kenville MD Kim, thank you, too, for being here. Rico, thank you. All right, guys. Look at it, by the way. Look at it, by the way. Let's look at it, by the way. What are we looking at? I don't know. What are we looking at? The sell stop that I called live for you. Where's it going to? Oh, gee, there it goes down to the blue line. Yep. Lord willing, we'll see it change over here. You'll see this turn to red. They just gave us free money. They just gave, I can't even leave. I have to tell you, look at it go down. They just gave you 40 pips for free. That's the only trade that my brother Mike, my other brother Mike, Glowinski, everybody else, that's all my family and friends. This is the trade you should have taken right here. So easy. There it is. Free money. 2 out of the 3. Bingo, boppo, bango. There it goes down. And it's going to continue to go down. And then you're in the money on the 30-minute sell stop. Then you're in the money on the 1 hour sell stop. And it's going down to the 4 hour blue line. That's where it's heading to. Whatever. Either you believe in the system or you don't. Either you see me making money or you don't. I don't tell y'all. But as it is, got to go. I'm going to go do all my healthy things. Forever living legend. Thank God and thank God. Thank you, NS. Thank you, Cliffy. Thank you, Bob Uten. Thank you, Muna. Mike Moy. Blessed life. Can Kim. All right. Thank you all. God bless. Hope y'all make some money. God, I don't know how you wouldn't have. Wow. What a fantastic morning. I hope to God everybody caught how good this was this morning. Fucking incredible.